talked yesterday about seeing this daily candle close and seeing it close below this range here. Excuse me. Now you notice that top wick, it tapped back into that support. So that's a beautiful top wick. If we break the lows here, this thing should drive today very nicely. You should see a very strong push. Let's see what we got going on the 4 hour, right? So the 4 hour time frame has a pretty strong support right here. You also have a resistance up top here, and this is pretty much the range that you're in on this 4 hour time frame right here. So if we can get a breakout of this range, that's going to be really nice, right? So the daily lows are down here. Let's take a look at what these wicks look like on the 1 hour and the 30 minute. Looks like they're just wicks, maybe a little fake out here. So yeah, I think you got that nice support there. Let's take a look left, make sure there's no other supports, because remember gang, everyone can see this support, right? Anyone who's looking at the chart can see that support right there. So what we need to do as traders is we need to do a little legwork. We need to scroll back, right? Traders are just lazy, man. The information is all printed there for them, right? We need to scroll back and take a little bit more effort. And then look, what do you know? What do you know, right? Would you look at that? So what we need to do here is we need to adjust that. And we need to have our support right here, so we don't look like fools later on getting faked out, you know, above that range there. So I'm going to look to take my sells below 34900 here. So sells below here after a closure, and then very simple, I'll probably look for some sort of a fake out right in this range, fake out to maybe continue on down with our sells, because we may want to do some little retracement, right? We've come down, we may want to retrace before coming back down. So that's why we'll look for sells, potential fake out, and then sells below there. So that looks pretty clean. And then we may look to take buys probably honestly above here. Yeah, I don't really want to take buys on US 30 here today, right? But if we do, we break.
If I don't see a retest candle there specifically, or a retest done,
then I could probably say we're going up. So we'll see. I think above there on the 30 minutes going to be our best bet. Yeah. Otherwise, I'd rather just look for fake outs along
internal range, and then it should start coming down, hopefully quite quickly from there.
So yeah, that's what I
want to see.
Look for on the Dow. Oh, 15-minute break and lows.
Right in the center of that range, waiting for the Asian sweep indeed, taking out the lows, and from there we look at our next trade.
All right, 30-minute. Will you do
Quite
it?
unusual that we straight away start with a trade here. Sometimes we have these days here. We have some of these days here. Gold is coming soon. Hopefully we're gonna see a nice New York open as well, swiping out the Asian lows for us, and then moving forward from there. If we take out the highs and we come up, it sadly is what it is these days here. We have some of these days here. Gold is coming. Probability and edge. In my opinion, hopefully we're in favor for a nice New York open as well. Swipe
so fake outs above this, or fake out right around that resistance level.
If we take out the highs and we come up, it sadly is what it is.
People will look at that resistance.
Can you speak about Hustle Lorenzo? Set a key. Johan says, what if the dollar goes up but gold don't? We have some of these days down. We look at it, and that's what we're looking at. Let me know in the chat, guys. What did we learn yesterday? Our favor for now. If you guys remembered it, New York open as well. Swipe. Great question, George, for us.
Or fake out right around that resistance level.
If we take out the highs and we come up, it sadly is what it is.
People will look at that resistance.
Can you speak about Hustle Lorenzo? Set a 10-year bonds. You guys got it. Perfect. Absolutely amazing. I don't know what happened, guys, but we are in a crazy, crazy, crazy momentum here with our community. Everything is just going through the roof. You says, what if the dollar goes up at gold? The amount of people that join our Discord, the amount of people that subscribe, YouTube, likes, everything. So let's keep up this momentum here. Perfect. And I'm very proud of you guys who showed up here from the beginning. I'm happy that we can trade also straight away here instead of waiting for a couple hours. It's also nice. Even though not much is happening at the moment, but at least we have something here. Overall, very proud of you guys here. Let's build up the momentum. Let's keep going. And let's truly make a difference here in regards to not just my life, your life, our lives. And the work that people are putting in, it's just green, incredible. Gratis Blaze. Beautiful. Thomas. The animal's coming soon as well here. The magician, we call him. He's coming shortly. Abikush. Legend, my man. Love it. Amazing. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. That's absolutely beautiful. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Dollar yen headed for the weekly highs. Okay, let's see how that goes here.
Months, so we decided to put her on the bench and bring out US 30 here. So this is a pair that we've been
Henrik, what's good, Lorenzo? I'm doing well, my man.
For a while,
how are you doing?
Over a year
Hope everything's
now.
good.
Like, I've been sample sizing.
Yesterday we reached 1,000 likes.
I started streaming.
1,000 likes. The day before we reached 1,000 likes.
It's a pretty good pair. I like the way it moves after 9:30. We're
so
also looking into the
NASDAQ
to potentially start trading that as well. So yeah, we may have 2 or 3 pairs up here. Can you check GJ? Yeah, let's check GJ. So GJ is, yeah, I don't want anything to do with GJ here, man. Yeah, it looks like you got pretty decent room on pound yen to like 186 here. So let's see. I think I've seen a range on the.
What do you think about gold? We just talked about gold here a couple minutes ago.
Yeah, so the daily close bullish. It's doing its job, pumping up.
We just talked about gold a couple minutes ago here.
1 hour looks pretty clean. Also, you do have a support here. I believe if
Juan, my man. Good morning.
Resistance.
Good morning.
But if you do create a support here, then very high chance.
I'm going to set an alert here though. 1903.5.
So I would probably wait for a 30-minute closure.
So we don't miss out on that part.
Then you could probably take your buys coming up.
Very important.
And anticipating the NY Open to continue pushing price up.
We're currently in Excel for the USD. We're targeting the Asian lows, Asian equal lows, by the way. That gap below Asian equal lows here. London opened up.
You could take clean buys coming up.
Took out the Asian highs, then flipped.
That's what I would do on
we
pound
hopefully can continue with the dollar to take out at least these lows here. We failed to break this high as well.
Pound yen.
Right now.
Pound yen. Still pushing
we came up. And we're right in the center for a trade. 1-to-1, potentially take it to the downside. Take out the lows and see from there.
Alright, so let's see what we got here on the 30
so far is holding up. The treasuries are doing well.
If we can get a position
up
in here. We need a pullback,
pushing
so
up here.
With a
Euro is just at some support right now, but if we break it, we have our we can put our stop loss and break even quite quickly.
This was only like a 2 or 3 pip move, I believe, so far. Right? Yes.
Cowboy, good morning. Good morning. Hope you're doing well.
So let's see if we can pull back a little bit on the 30-minute. No, we
4x
closed
Wolf
no bottom
trading, my
weight.
man,
So
in the
yeah, so
building.
we gotta wait for
Great to see you,
gold
brother.
there. But this is perfect because the 1 hour is creating a nice resistance.
GJ, your
right
analysis,
now.
please. GJ has been coming
as long
up
as this 1 hour can
strong,
hold
if I'm correct.
and form a resistance, then
Let me see
we
what's
should
going
be
on
good
here.
to continue down remainder of the day.
Okay. Yeah, massive move. Massive move here. We came down eventually. Got, okay, interesting. We came down here. Now facing that resistance. Overall looks very strong.
How's the 400k challenge going? It's
But,
going
yeah,
good.
if
I'm
you
at
flip
break
this
even.
and you break
I
that
no
low
longer have a
after that,
time limit on it.
resistance here,
So
you
I'm
might
at
be
break
pushing
even.
down further. So let's set an alert.
Took 3 trades on it. So yeah, going good so far.
The yen is still weak. Every single time we come up, I think
Nowadays, we
Yeah,
don't
it doesn't
trade
stop,
US
guys.
dollars.
It doesn't stop.
GJ.
GJ, the yen. The yen is extremely weak. Extremely weak over time here. GJ, Strap City. Exactly.
Good morning, all. Hey,
Cowboy says, my brother Gavin, great macro session yesterday. I heard it. I heard he had a great conversation. It's beautiful.
Gold movement. Yeah, it could. Yeah, you could look at it for like certain confirmations. Usually what they'll be doing is the opposites of each other. So if gold is pushing down right now, the DXY I'm sure has a bullish
lives,
candle, right?
welcome.
Kind of just like reverse the chart. How to use copy trading? Just so I'm not. I don't know the
visa to stay in
full ins and
Indonesia.
outs
Yes.
of it. I mean, I know you just hook up your
couple times a
your
week.
account. You make sure
I
your
agree.
risk is proper. You make sure everything on the on the settings is good, and then that's it. That's what I know of it, right? I just know it works. I use the social
And I answer
trader.
question,
so
why
that's
is it
one
that
you
indices
can
like the
use and
Nasdaq
take
and
advantage
US
of.
30
And if
produce
you
more
have any
profits than the
questions on
currency price
that,
using
go to Austin's
lot size.
YouTube channel.
Because the
and
units and the
there's
contract
a
size is different.
Full video, I think, that explains
Slightly
the
different
entire
measurements right
the
there.
entire
So yeah,
program.
make sure you use your
How
calculator.
to place the settings and all that good stuff. So
That's what matters the most here.
lots of people watching. Speaks volumes to the channel.
Absolutely.
How many people we got watching?
Yeah, let's see what we can learn today here.
Let's see.
Look at GJ. Indeed,
Oh,
pushing down,
1200.
getting
Alright,
rejected
awesome.
right now at this level.
Good to see you guys here today. Hey, if you
Let's
guys
see if
aren't
it's enough for
subbed
us to
to the
break
channel,
this
go
low.
ahead, subscribe to the
This
channel.
will give us a nice,
Come
confirmation.
on, hang out with us every day.
Breakdown confirmation here. Potential flip. Turn around for GJ. Let's see if it makes sense
What
here.
was the lowest amount I ever traded with?
in regards to the
Maybe like $100 bucks.
Yeah, interesting. Interesting
100
thing
bucks.
to look at.
Yeah, there's the YouTube video.
Do
Thanks,
you know
Shiro.
the guys?
There's the YouTube video
Best
right there.
FX, this guy turns 10k into
explaining the
1.5
copy
million,
trader.
and for 4 days they release another
Is
one.
the
for
social
5K to
trader
2.2
free?
million
I'm not
in
too
only 4
sure.
days. I don't really give a fuck.
I heard you're using a copy trader for your funded account. They refuse to pay you for this? No. A lot of people use copy traders. Yeah, because a lot of people are just stacking
Cowboys
capital,
we're going
right?
live in the
They're
Discord.
just stacking
New York
capital
Open
now.
in the
So once you
VIP
got the
crypto.
skill, and
Yes,
that's
guys,
what the
we have
Time
a
to Eat Elite
fantastic
program is all
team,
about. Is
a
the theme
group
of that is
of
like
individuals that
get
are
the
very
skill
committed into crypto
and
as
then
well.
start to
Highly
scale
recommend
up.
to
Like,
check it out.
once you have the
We have our
skill
premium
set,
channels as well. You can
and,
join us. Practically, if
me
you're just
hosting the
interested in
stream
it,
and
we even give
working with
away
other
free
traders
signals
kind
and
of
everything like that.
pushed me a little bit too, because
You
for a
need to
while
apply,
there I
get
was just
access to
trading
our
on a
VIP
100k
community,
account.
and,
You know, I
we
was
have
doing
weekly meetings.
good, making good
Crypto's
money,
gonna blow
but
up sooner than later.
you know, some of these guys started getting
Or
like
something is
300,
gonna happen at
400,
least.
500k accounts. And I
Mark
was
my
thinking,
words.
why am
you
I
wanna be
only
prepared for that.
why am I trading on a 100k account?
now,
So I
Forex is,
just
of course,
decided to
amazing.
scale up myself. And
However,
I'm going to continue
it's always
scaling
nice
up. I'm
to
going to be the
learn a
leader, and I'm
new
going to
skill
lead from
here,
the
or,
front
you know,
with this
sometimes
program
get an
and get
understanding
myself,
of
you know,
the
finish up the
basics of the different
400k.
market.
And then once I get the
of course, with the
400k
market and the
on
future
the first
potential of
payout from
cryptocurrencies
that,
and
I'll be getting.
tokenization of the world,
There's another
I
company
recommend
called
to join
Bespoke,
us
and they
and
offer
join
a
our
$1 million
weekly
account.
meetups.
So I will get that account, and then there's another
We trade crypto
company
up or
that
down.
offers a 500k
Indeed, like
account.
Kevin said.
So I'll be getting
price
those as
for
well.
us
And I
personally,
really want to
kind
encourage
of
traders to really
kind of
get the
irrelevant.
skill and then scale the heck up, man. Right? Because just those
Hello,
accounts
I'm new here.
alone,
What do you use exactly to
that's
calculate your position
2.5
size?
million, right?
Trading view.
2.5 million. All
Trading
you
view.
really need to do
So
is just continue
use
doing the same thing day in
this,
and day
tool.
out, right?
I
Taking our
create
15,
limit
20
order. I
pips
say
and keeping it
market.
moving.
I type in my risk,
Right? Like at that point, you're talking like
and
you're
from
talking
there
like
I make
2,000
a
pip
make a
or
decision
more than
here.
that, right? So once you have that skill set, then it's just time to scale up and get more capital and, you know,
Those flips
use
from
that
10K to
skill
1 million,
set
in
to
other
your
words, videos for
advantage,
trading,
and then
nobody
use
can
the
relate to
funding
something like
capital
that.
to your advantage.
You can't
right?
even trade that way. Yeah, I'm completely against it. I just
What a
think
time
it's
to be alive. What a time to be a
like
trader.
90% of it is fake. They
What
don't
a
show you
time to
how
have
many
a
times it
skill
went wrong.
that can pay the bills.
They only show you the one that actually went right, and then people think, oh, that's possible. I can
Subscribe from
turn
London.
$5,000
Thanks for
into
subscribing, changing
20
gear.
million. Yeah, good luck.
Hope you pull up every day.
It hurts a lot of people, unfortunately.
Hey, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like as well here today. That'd be awesome. That would make my day, man, honestly. To have you lovely people like my stream.
Are we planning to do a sell, or we're in a sell?
350?
Let's wait for the New York volume to come in here. We have our stop loss
Yeah,
above
those
the
are
highs here.
rookie
We're
numbers,
targeting
chat.
the Asian
Those are
lows.
like-
It's pretty
those are like 2
straightforward.
months
There's
ago
not
numbers.
much
Right? We should have at least
crazy
5, 6,
stuff.
7
You know,
hundo.
there is not much. There are not many
I'm
crazy
waiting for your signal,
confluences
bro.
here.
Got you, bro.
This is just a
Got you.
pretty straightforward setup where we have a look at the sessions itself. Okay.
Why not
And
use
based
the minion
upon that,
market?
we're trying to
Maybe
take
I do.
out the,
Maybe I do
Asian
use them.
high. We're filled to break that high previously. We're pulling back. We're in the center of
I
this
use,
range here.
I
We have
use
these
Traders
equal lows
Global
below here.
currently.
We have that wick
Traders
from
Global
yesterday.
up here. They're
From
this
the
is a
news and New York session.
the broker that my
Filled to
forex
take out
fund
the New York
uses.
session.
So
Lows
that's
as
who I
well
use
here. So we have a
currently
couple lows that we need to take out here. We just taken out the London lows. Hopefully we can continue our journey from there and potentially take out the Asian lows. Continuing into that gap. From there, potentially make a turnaround here. No magicians. I give this a probability of around 70%. Hopefully it's on our side. And the dollar looks strong. The confirmation of the dollar looks good overall. So hopefully we push
Is
through
there
it.
a Telegram
And
group?
we take
No.
out the lows here.
We have a Discord though. You can join the free Discord.
Shows MetaTrader like Riot Banks. So
What up,
we
Jeanette?
have TradingView right here below. It's a live account. People are not used to it, but that's the way we trade here.
What was the
Does it
moment
require you to have a broker
knew you
linked with your
needed to get
trading
away
viewer,
from
or you can do this
Don
anything?
Street?
You need a broker that allows trading
You
view.
go on your own different journey. You know,
It has
I
an
think
integrated system where you can
I think I
integrate.
knew that
your broker
before I
into-
even started,
into
right?
TradingView.
Like my goal was never. I mean, I just have a true.
Hey bro, got a
passion and, like,
hypothetical
love
question
helping
for
and
you.
serving
If
people
someone
as a
was holding
leader,
GJ short
because,
from
you know, I come from
183,
network marketing background,
what
right? So
advice
this
could
is
you
always
give them?
something
Purely
that I've wanted to
hypothetical, of
do.
course, I love
So
it.
yeah, I did want to get the
183.
skill set and learn how to trade, but I
Short,
also
okay.
was always keeping in mind a way where I can pay it back, right? Where I can
Yeah, that's
pour,
right here.
pour
huh?
whatever I learn into other people. So I always had the idea, especially when Raja was streaming, I was thinking, man, this guy's bringing in, you know, a lot of people here and teaching a lot of people
That's a
how to
tough one,
trade.
bro.
And I was one of
That's a
them.
tough one.
And then,
to
you
be
know, seeing
honest.
Don in
You
the
come back to
community
these
and,
lows
and
here?
that started to inspire me as well. But I just knew I had to get
Like
the
what I
skill set
personally would
down
do,
first.
if you're stuck in a position here,
And then I did, right? I got
I
the
would
skill
wait
set
for the
down.
yen.
I pretty much learned
the yen basket to take out this low,
on his stream for about 2 years.
and after these lows are
Year
taken
one,
out,
I kind of learned
to see if there is chance of a
and then
potential
year two
recovery
was when I
pullback.
started really seeing the results, of
which
it.
can potentially
And,
reduce
and
your,
then, you know, once I had
your
those
loss or your
results, I just
drawdown.
thought, you know, why not?
Potentially coming up.
Why not go
Therefore,
out now
GJ
and
coming
do
down.
something bigger and
I
focus
do
on
think that
something,
if you take out
you
this
know,
low,
bigger than just my own
and we're
personal
seeing that
trading,
reaction
because
that you can hold your
I can
position
do
still
nice
open.
things
If
in
it's
the world
if it keeps
and
dropping
things
and it
like
feels
that,
to
but
break
how
the
about if we
resistance
had
here, let's say the
15,000
support
other
turns into
people
resistance and you break it and
crushing
you
it,
come down
doing
further,
nice-
yeah. At some point
nice
you have
things
to
in the
think
world,
about
right? Then we start to
not
really
nice to hear,
kind of
but
change
not
things.
closing your
So,
position.
you know, my idea is always,
So in my
I'm always
opinion, check
looking
out
at the
what the yen will
long-term
do
and the
in
bigger
regards to taking out
bigger
these lows, yes or
impact
no.
that we can have. And I can only do so much
Something,
as a trader,
something
right?
like that,
There's
yeah.
people that you guys will be able to impact that I will never be able to reach.
Is he trading your USD
and
sell?
I understand
yeah,
that,
so
right?
keep in
So I
mind, guys, this is
understand
the
that, you know,
trading
we can
view
go much
terminal.
further together than you can
My
alone.
position
so
is
I always,
below.
I always admired building a group.
My
and
entries here,
having
my
a
stop loss is
tribe
there, my
you
take
know,
profit
building
is
a
there.
community out where it's a bunch of people hungry, going after the same thing. You know, everyone's got a dream, everyone's got a goal, and you know, we're just making each other better. So
Otherwise, what indicator do you
yeah, I
use
don't
to
think there was
mark
really
the
a moment
sessions
where I
on
was like, I'm
chart?
gonna leave and do my own thing. I just think I had that vision from.
We use the tool,
you know, from
the
early-
indicator
early
called Asian
on.
Session Range. That's called Asian Session Range by, let me see here, Rob Minty. Rob Minty.
Everybody read The Slight Edge. Yeah, go ahead, read The
What about
Slight
Gold?
Edge. That
Gold's
was one of
probably
my
coming down?
favorite books I ever read for a long time.
probably
Still
as well
is in
here.
my top 5. Love The Slight Edge. Jeff Olson. The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson.
Yeah. However, I want to break at least the daily
Very cool.
support again at 1903. So we have an alert set right
it's
here.
like
If anything happens with gold,
B-E-S-P-O-K-E. So like
we're simply
bespoke,
looking to
like bespoke.
potentially look for the continuation here after breaking the 1903.
What's your account size? I
The
have
reason
100K
why is
account.
because of this daily support that we break. Again, right here. It will also give us a nice indication of a potential flippening scenario of the daily candle.
How do we apply for the elite program?
And
The
that could lead
applications
into
will
more
be up
downside
soon.
continuation
They're not
as
up
well.
yet.
Yes. That's what
Still
we're looking
working
for.
with the previous group. So applications will be coming up.
All right.
We're doing a lot.
Beautiful.
We've revamped
Come
this
on,
thing.
that's
We put a lot of
the
time
spirit.
into
That's
really
the spirit.
building out an incredible curriculum for you guys. So
That's
I'm
the
excited
spirit.
to
Take out the Asian lows for us.
to
Give
get
us a
it
beautiful
started,
trade.
but you know that stuff
Perfect
won't be
time to
happening
start
until
and kick off the stream
September.
with.
You know, first
Then we're
week,
gonna go
second
to
week
gold.
of September. But yeah, keep an eye out for it. If you guys have been wanting to join the elite, we're gonna be opening up shop pretty soon. So it's gonna.
Dr. Finbar,
This
thanks,
next
bro.
one's
Exactly
gonna
what I
be
was thinking.
insane,
Hoping for
man. I really
retracement
look
to
forward
come
to
back to break even or a small loss. Exactly, brother. Yes, wait for the Japanese yen basket to take out the lows. And then usually you should see after taking out the lows here
When
some
in
sort of
September, yeah, it'll
retracement.
probably be like the
And if
first
that doesn't
week,
happen,
applications
you're still
will go
struggling,
out, so and then enrollment will
Just close your
will
position
begin.
and,
So we're only taking on 25
yeah.
people. It's gonna either be 20 or 25.
and go for it next time. Here.
But that's gonna be
Okay.
max. So I know there's a lot of people that want to join.
How's the month going? Profit, loss, break
but
even?
Yeah, we're gonna cut it
overall
at
pretty good
25
here.
to make it a really solid group setting type of
We have
training.
not a single loss
And
in
it's
August.
gonna be fantastic.
Oh, no, we
man.
have one
I'm
loss in
so
August.
looking forward to it. It's a
One loss
we've
in
been
August,
working on it. Right?
and,
We've been working on it.
1, 2,
Sam's
3,
gonna be
4,
coming in, and Sam's gonna be doing all the fundamental
5, 6,
teaching.
6
So you guys
wins,
are gonna
1
have
break
like
even.
4 sessions a week. And
6 wins, 1
the
break
first
even, 1
session
loss.
will be meet with me, and we'll be going over strategy. We'll be going over playbook. We'll be going over trading.
make this
right?
7.
All the stuff that we talk about with trading, and you'll have a workbook, and there'll be a specific concepts
Beautiful.
on specific days, and it'll be like
That's
a
beautiful.
hour and a half session.
Want to take out the Asian
And
lows?
what'll happen is I'll teach the first 25, 30 minutes of that session.
We're
and then
ready for
gonna
that
open it up
breakthrough
for
moment. That was the
Q&A and
breakthrough
discussion
moment.
and,
The moment
you know,
it broke
really
through that
dive into
support
the
here, we start
playbook
falling.
and, you know exactly some of our basic concepts, our more
And
experienced
yeah,
concepts.
simple
So it's
one-to-one
gonna
here.
be-
We could put our stop
gonna
loss
be
and
dope,
break
you know, and
even.
then that's one
after
session
this
of the week,
closure.
and then you get another session
After this
with,
50-minute
with
closure,
Sam, who's gonna be
We put our stop loss and break even.
man. I posted on my IG, but Sam has been working. That boy been cooking.
Which is in 1 minute and
I'm
50
talking
seconds.
cooking, man. So he's got an incredible curriculum when it comes to fundamentals and economics. He'll also be keeping everybody up to date on the current affairs, what's going on and why gold is doing this or
Lorenzo,
why.
I think you forgot to put the
pound
Australian dollar
yen
to
or
gallon
the
break
euro's
even in the
doing that.
spreadsheet.
So
Oh,
that's
you're
gonna
right.
be really exciting.
You're right. Yes, one more
And,
break
and
even
then we
trade.
have like a psychologist.
Yes, you're right.
as well.
I forgot
so you
the
have a session
CPI.
with a
Correct.
psychologist.
Thank you for
who's gonna
letting me
help you
know.
work
We'll
on your
add this in.
mental framework. Going to help you work on emotions and just the inner you.
It was a news trade, but yeah,
'cause that
same as
inner
this
you
one.
plays a huge
We
role
put that one. We
in,
put that
in
break even
what
trade in as well.
comes in your reality on the
As
outside,
well.
right? So
Thank you.
yeah, so those are going to be 3
Yeah,
sessions.
so-
and
so
then I think every
gold is
weekend
actually
we'll
coming
do
down as
a,
well?
a trade
Gold
recap
has strong daily support,
all
so
the
I'm
trades that
very
we
curious to
took
see how we
over the
react here. Whereas
So,
the
yeah, it
euro,
should be
I want
fun.
to see definitely taking
be a
out the
good
Asian
time.
lows here.
All right, cool. Look at this.
After this 50-minute closure, we put our stop loss on break even.
So 1 hour is looking good, man. Creating that resistance that we
40 seconds
looking
left.
for here. Where's Green? Oh, he's in here somewhere. There he is. There's. Good morning, Pablo.
That's a good beginning of the stream, guys. That's a great beginning of the stream here. If you want to take some profits, take some profits here. Of course, do your thing. Manage your trade accordingly. And in 20 seconds, we put a stop loss on break even. Just want to see this 50-minute candle closing.
Oh, look who's here. The man.
Hopefully
the
with
myth,
not too much of a swing.
the legend.
All right, let's keep it as low as
What do you
possible.
guys think it is? What do you guys think's here?
And then see from there. All right, that's good. That's good. Stop loss and break even here. And I am gonna take out some profits here.
Yo,
There
I'm gonna
he
take
is.
1 TP.
that's good.
The man.
Good morning, brother. Good morning, chat. It's good.
How we feeling today?
Feeling great, bro. Another day to be great.
Another day to be great, baby.
TP1.
What's good, Zoom? Chat, what's good? Get me lit.
All right, W in the
Yo,
chat.
another day to be savages
That's a win.
in the market.
Straight
chat.
up win. All right,
Yes,
let's
sir.
go. Great beginning of
Run
the
it
stream,
up.
guys.
Anywhere
let's
to buy
kick
the
up the
playbook?
likes here.
No, you
We have
can't
900
buy
people
Lewis,
watching,
but there is
300
I did
likes
do a
right now
free
at the
video
moment.
on
You can
YouTube
click on
about the
this
playbook.
button right here. You would help me
Yeah, you can grab
tremendously.
it there.
I'm trying to give you as much as very possible. I'm trying to build the best
Alright,
community
So let's just hang
with
tight here.
each
For
other.
those who took
We're
positions,
doing it.
nice. You guys should
I
be
just
in
need your
decent
help
profits if
by
you took it
smashing
off
that like button. It's
15.
completely free. You would help me tremendously as well.
And really, really
And
nice
you get me
stops
into
up
the
there.
algorithm. You help me blow up. And you
Well,
help
we
me
do have the NY Open
take
coming
over
up
the
here
game
in
here.
just a few minutes,
Practically.
and we'll probably get some volume coming in.
Hi Lorenzo, how to move your TP stop loss on trading view, just dragging with use of mouse, just dragging,
What up,
yeah,
Sandman?
drag and slide. Yeah,
And man, good
What
morning.
up, Red FX?
X.
yes, absolutely.
Red FX is in the house.
We're in this together, fam. That's it. Hey Lorenzo, you had a swing trade on the Canadian Japanese yen a few
Bring
weeks ago.
out
How
the
did it
whole
go?
volume.
I closed it after 1 day. What caused that big drop? The dollar shoot up as well. So the dollar shoot up. Dollar is strong. Just dollar holding up very strong. The dollar on the daily looks strong.
The
Like
mods are
it's
coming.
still a red candle. However, you see
Mods
the
are
demand stepping in. The wick on the top side is not that big. So it's like, we might be flipping again. We're still holding above the Sunday open, where we opened the market on a Wednesday. We came back, we held here. I was like, yeah, no, it's looking too strong. Euro,
Very nice.
Hey,
equal
Chad.
lows built up for the Asian
Perfecto.
session. So the Asian lows were here.
Oh, yeah.
Equal lows were
Clearing out
built
this
up
whole
below.
range now.
We're like, no.
So this is good.
We're in the middle of the
This is
range
real
here.
good.
We have a beautiful 1-to-1 right there. We go for the lows, given a 70% chance
yeah.
that we'll get there.
4 hour, lovely. 4 hour had no bottom wick. Pushed up.
For
there
me,
we
it's
go.
it's usually the golden combination when the
Just
London comes up, midway through reverses, and then the Asian session has equal lows.
Just beautiful.
Practically
Give me 1 sec, chat. I'll be
not
right
taken
back.
out yet. And we have a gap below
1
and
sec,
imbalance
Johnny
below
boy.
as well. Yeah, some really nice target points right here. So that's definitely something that I'm always
Hey, Chad,
looking
daily
for.
reminder.
We might be able to take it a little
for
bit
more
longer. Let's see
repetition
how
to
it
the
goes
mind,
here,
right?
but
What is
hopefully
our
we
job
push it out
today?
further.
What is the professional trader's job?
Regardless, we
today?
have taken some profits.
Professional trader's job today is to execute on his edge when his edge presents itself to him without
I
hesitation.
also recently joined the stream. Can you explain
Right,
what you did?
that is his
to
job,
see and where to put it sell
And
the
while
UU.
he's waiting to execute on his edge,
So we took the sell
he must
below
be patient. He
the
must be disciplined,
15-minute
right,
low.
to his
So the
edge.
reason why we took that sell
Because his
there,
edge is a high
because
probability trade setup
and I
that
think
doesn't
many of you
happen
guys know
every
it.
time he's at the charts, right?
This was the last low.
Doesn't happen
It
every
created this
day.
high.
They're high probability
We broke
setups
that low.
that we're hunting
It
for.
was
So
right
we
in the
must
center.
practice
Risk to
and work
reward
out
was
our
good.
discipline, patient muscle
And we,
for
we
our
took an
edge.
entry
And
right
once
there.
our edge comes to us,
On support,
we'll execute.
even.
Right? It's just a daily reminder.
sometimes the direction
Repetition to
is
the mind, get
more
into your
important.
brain.
We've
Say
taken
it
some
over and
profits
over
here, so I
yourself.
highly recommend you to do the same thing.
Right? Let's kill it today.
At least take one TP and then leave the rest
If
running.
you're desirous to be a professional trader, you have to act like a professional trader.
Stop loss and break
No
even
ifs,
already.
ands, ifs, or buts, right?
And make sure that this is clear.
Sheesh, that young boy taking y'all to school today. Holy.
Oh.
Holy.
Yeah, just some more repetition to the brain,
stuff.
chat. That's it.
Lorenzo, click the star in the left, bottom left with all the
Repetition
favorite
to the
tools on
brain.
screen.
You guys
Okay,
can tell
well,
he uses some repetition
at it
there,
here.
right? Yes, he does. Yeah, he does. What up, Scott? Morning, bro.
Good morning, Scott.
We're gonna get back to
Once
gold here. We have
traders
we
can
have alert
finally
set on
understand
gold.
that and get that,
We just keep a close eye on it.
then they don't jump at this, they don't jump
For
at
now,
that. They just really just wait for the
You
edge.
can definitely tell that
'Cause you don't need every
the
pip of the
treasuries are
market.
still moving
You
up.
really don't.
Stock
You
market's
really
not
don't.
looking that
Remember what we
good.
were talking about, right? You get the craft,
The
you
dollar
learn
is
the
moving,
skill, you get the
with
craft
the
down, and then you just take
Treasuries
advantage
right
of
now.
one
We're facing
candle
some
every day.
resistance here, so we're seeing a
It
little
could be that
pullback.
simple.
Hopefully, it will not
It could
break.
be literally that simple.
Put us on
That-
break even.
That's how you make trading simple
But
for
yeah,
yourself.
that's how we take
right?
profits. We took profits at the right
That's
moment.
how you make it simple, not complicated.
A flip will be better,
Yeah.
of course.
Yep.
Let's see where GJ is at.
Just learned that from Mark Douglas. Yep, exactly. Last night. Good stuff.
Hey.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys are tuning into Marky Mark there, man.
Okay.
Morning,
Same-
Joe
same
Stewart.
thing, still there.
Where's Joey
Not much
Stu?
happening at the moment.
Where's
Hey,
Joey
guy.
Stu at?
Yeah. Yeah, I have an alert set on GJ at
Hero of the day is in the
185.477, so
building.
below that last
What up,
low, looking for
Henry?
the continuation to the downside.
That's good, Henry. Henry Restless.
Present.
Joe Stu is present. There he is. There he is, the man. I needed that.
Look at the euro Australian dollar.
At that exact moment.
I am like your
After
live
this
stream.
live, I'm going to clip
at
that
Euro
exact
USD.
part.
Australian dollar. We had a
Good
trade
stuff,
today on
man.
the euro
Sometimes
Australian
traders
dollar.
just need that one little tweak.
During the London
That
session.
one little tweak.
What's going on right now?
That's right, bro. You
Alright,
don't
we're
need
pushing
every
down
pip
again.
in the market.
Yeah, we're starting to lose strength. Starting to lose
There's your
strength.
example. Yep. Yeah, man. Did you say spoke funding? No, bespoke. What's your outlook on US 30 here? Outlook on US 30 is we're looking at
Yeah,
we're gonna look for a
interesting, but we're
potential
not there
fake
yet.
out
We have to push
in
down a little bit more.
right around this area. Looks like we're kind of getting that, probably on the lower time frame, which was probably the 5. Yeah, 5-minute fake out there, so that's pretty nice. But yeah, I'll be looking to take positions on US 30. I want to see how the 4-hour candle closes here.
Continuation here, getting,
And then
getting
because
bought
that's
up right
really
now.
when,
Hopefully we will not
when
tap
US
into
30
our,
starts to gain the juice, right? After
our
that
zone
4-hour
here.
close. So I'd rather see how this candle closes. It might pull back a little bit to leave a wick fill, or it may close below. Either way, I'm totally fine with either taking an onion here or a breakout. But yeah, I'm looking for sells below these levels over here.
Hourly
There's
candle is
a major
closing soon.
support level right here that I want to wait, and then once we get below there, we got clean traffic now coming downtown. Downtown. Holy. Holy, we got clean traffic on US 30 here today.
Pushing up very slow and steady here.
Yes, sir.
Very, very, very slow
Boom.
and steady here.
Beautiful range. Will we get a trade-off on the Dow today? Will we get it, chat?
I learned in an academy and they teach us
Will
to
we
take
get a
risk management like
trade-off?
1 to 4, 1 to 5. What do you think about it? I think it depends on the strategy.
Clean,
and
Mr.
your win
Clean.
rate.
Hey, those are the ranges you
All
like to
depends on
see.
your win rate.
Those are the ranges you want to be a part of.
Yes, sir.
Did you start the stream earlier today? No. No.
What
we
up,
started
Austin?
at,
Oh,
at
man, bring
7
out the
a.m.
whole mods. We got
Maybe
all the
5
mods in the
minutes
building
earlier,
today.
later.
Hey, Walston's here?
Walston is in the house.
Oh,
Sam
What can you say about the
Capitals in the
Japanese yen?
building. There he
Looking
is.
weak.
What up,
Looking
Sammy
very
boy?
weak. We're reaching a strong low. So
Sam.
we might find some
Sam the
support
man.
there shortly. I will go over it in a second again. Let's do it.
Sam's cooking.
Yeah, yesterday I explained, I talked to you guys about how I lost a lot of money. So if you're going through a similar phase where you're losing, you get angry at yourself, trust me, I've been to that same phase.
That guy TK, he's gonna be here
And
soon.
if you just keep
He's gonna be here.
persistent,
He's just that guy.
it's
He
gonna
he
be
had
a
to do
phase,
some
and
that
it's gonna
guy
be
stuff this
over
morning.
at some point, and you start breaking
Yeah, I was
even
talking to him earlier.
for a while. And even that is a phase, and
He's
eventually
that guy.
we can turn this into profits. All right, so hopefully with you included as well here, we can turn that into. We can turn you
Future mod in the
personally into
building, yes,
profits,
sir.
as
That's
well.
right.
That would be
Claim it,
amazing.
Joe.
That's why we're here
Joe,
4
we're gonna
days a
keep
week.
an eye out for Joe's name there.
You know, to give
We
and
got a
help
couple
and direct
Joes
you
that
in
are
markets.
potential future mods here.
You always should do your own due diligence, your own research.
Future mod.
Won't look.
However, see this as an
Free sand.
indicator. That's it.
Free sand.
Your dollar about to hit break even. Hope you take some profits. We took profits at 109.08.
Uncle Scalpy's in the building. Dabbing on him.
Scout.
What up,
I
Uncle
did not expect it
Scalper?
immediately retracement. To be honest, I did not expect that that retracement. I definitely
He's
was
that
like,
guy.
okay, we're
Yeah,
gonna
he does
potentially
that.
look for a
He's just that
continuation
guy.
to
He's
the,
doing
to
that
the
guy
downside,
stuff.
maybe a little wick to the upside and then a flip. But we
What's your
cannot
age,
predict
bro?
the
I don't
market.
have an age.
Is Fridays your
I
off
have
day?
no age.
Friday
You
is
speak no
my
English
is the day
anymore.
where I trade crypto.
No,
I
no, I'm
dedicate
not
1 day a
anymore.
week fully
I just
crypto,
don't have an age.
fully trading crypto.
I just walk around town with
Because
no age.
I'm a big
Shut
fan
up.
of trading crypto.
What up? What up, Daniel?
Dollar flipping or what's going on here?
You
Let's see where we
identify
at.
as non-aged. Gotcha.
Yeah, that's 34 pips.
You assuming my age?
Yeah, it's okay. The dollar's flipping indeed. Interesting though. We might be able. We
Nick,
might
bro,
get
you're doing a
stopped
very
out
good
here
thing.
little
Oh,
bit.
thank you, man. Thank you.
And then we look for stopped out on break even or in profit actually.
34
Well, let's see how we react here. And if
Who's
okay,
with
we're
us for
out.
the 30
Yeah, we're
lot,
out.
34 lot trade?
Okay, we're out. We took a little win here.
Whatever you think my
Hey
age
man,
is.
that was the.
And
not that
yeah,
age.
we'll add it later. Let's see how we react right now.
You were there for it, John.
Because I'm gonna take this to the lower time frame.
Oh. Hey, that was the movie anticipated at.
Yes,
On Goldie.
sir. Yep, right here. And now if we get closures below, we're good to go.
Mm.
And we look at the dollar.
Critical
Hey, chat, that's the discipline you gotta have, right? We ain't worried about missing no moves,
Let's
right?
see if we
'Cause
can
you
look
can't
at
miss a
the
move that's
for a
not yours.
re-entry. For now, not yet.
That's the discipline you need to have, right? What you just saw, what my brother Nick just
Your trade is
displayed.
great. Do you always
That's
trade
the
like
discipline you
scalping?
must need, right?
No.
No bottom wick, right? That's one of his
No,
rules.
but the reason why I'm
that
doing this
goes
is
with
on
his
stream
plan.
is
He
because
didn't break that rule,
people
right?
cannot
He
watch
stuck to
every
his
single
plan.
time.
He didn't care about
And
the
if you're gonna
profits
like
that table,
intraday trade,
right? Because he
it's
knew
gonna
he was
take a
thinking
long
long
time.
term, right? He knew that
we do
following
not
his
have that
plan
many trades at the
was going to
same
lead
time.
to a long term
We
result,
will
right?
probably experience a lower win rate, higher risk to
Success
reward.
in the long term, right? So
Whereas
Bingo.
watch my brother
you
Nick
know, on
and
stream
use
we
that as
like to
example.
win as much as possible.
Bingo.
It's
What do I
pretty
look like
straightforward
breaking my
because
plan in front of my younger brothers?
imagine you
Come
joining
on.
the live stream. You
What
cannot
kind of
join every
example would
single
I
day,
be?
Sure.
and then you only join our
I'd be like,
winning
bro, what you
trades.
doing?
And my
And
lovely
losing
breaking
trades
the
I
community.
plan.
take. That would be a disaster. So I looked at a
I
strategy
was
around
there
70%,
too, took a W
75,
that day. Oh,
70%
thanks,
win rate.
Disturbed. Yeah, man. Awesome. Awesome. So happy you took a W that day.
Euro.
Yeah, that was a good
Okay,
trade.
there we go. Are we holding here with the dollar?
Bro,
We're
risk is
pushing.
life-saving.
Yeah, gold.
Thank
we
you,
will
Mrs.
check it
Lippy.
out later.
All right, we got 2 minutes here, chat. Let's lock this in.
We
If
just
we get
came
a
out of a
closure,
trade here. We're just
probably
trying
gonna
to
be
see
looking
what's
at
going on here.
8:15, somewhere around there for positions. It would be awesome if we can get a pack runner, right at 8:15. Get a top wick for this previous candle, break the lows, then we'll look to get into
We
some
might be able to
positions
take a new
here.
trade soon.
Some positions.
This whole range, continuation, breakthrough, up is above the highs.
Will we get a bottom wick though? We need a pullback. We need a little bit of a pullback here.
Might be looking at a new trade here. Our second trade of this stream. We took some profits here. Price came back to break even. Now we still have that rejection point right there on the 15 minute. It's actually a very clean zone. That's what I'm looking at right now at the moment. What I'm looking for is an internal confirmation for re-entry. It's just a safer route. And the confirmation will come from the dollar doing the same thing. Holding up here and then looking for new potential highs here. We have now the open. So it's actually quite interesting.
Yeah, we need a pullback. Can we get a pullback in 15, 14, 13, 12 seconds?
And then from there we can see if we can get into our second second position here. Or if you can just re-enter.
that, push it back
Practically
up
the
here on
same
US
thing as
30.
what we did before.
Yeah, this 4 hour, right? We gotta wait on that. Wait on that 4 hour.
Because I think there's a big chance we will come and take out the lows here.
Ooh, no bottom wick. No bottom wick. Interesting.
Yeah, gold coming down here. Gold indeed got rejected at that point.
All right. Looks like we'll wait for the 15 here. Decision made. Good
Like I
decision.
said, gold's looking weak. Hi coach, which
Trying to
country
get
are we
funded
living in?
since 1980.
Indonesia. News is hi from Cameroon. Amazing, amazing.
Blessings to your family. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, this is good. Let's see how we close this this next candle. We closed below it already. Oh wait, we closed below this level.
Hey, let's
And
go.
gold's gonna
Shout
go
out
for the lows here. I think
1500
gold's
of
gonna
you
go
here.
for that wick.
Putting in that work. Right.
Oh, yo, there we go.
There he is.
Yo, shout out to all
Yeah.
1,500 of you that are putting in
Same.
that work this morning.
You
Bright and
guys-
early, baby.
You
It's a way
guys-
to do it.
They freed you.
Working
bro.
on getting freedom. Yeah. You free me, I'm coming for you.
That's what I'm looking for with the euro right now.
Damn the
Alright.
man.
So what I'm waiting for the
What
euro
up, Sammy boy?
What's the
is I'm
word,
waiting
boys?
for
The good
a,
word. The
good
good
brother.
word
confirmation on the
today.
lower
I
time
think the
frame.
good word today. I think is freedom, man. Freedom is
and
the
an
word
internal
today.
lower low.
Time and
Risk
money.
a little bit less than I
freedom.
did on the previous
I
trade.
think that's the word here.
Freedom.
Enter
If
down
you
here,
I like
put
it.
my stop loss
how
above that
cool
range and
freedom
target the
was.
same
For those
level.
of you that are
which is
hunting down
practically
freedom, if you
the
knew
Asian
how
lows
sweet
here.
it was on a daily basis, you
If
would
we
do
flip and turn
everything
around
in
here.
your power to get there.
And if we not
You
break
would
the highs,
respect the crap out of your system.
I'm looking into a
Man, what a life.
new short term.
Sometimes
So
a little
potentially,
taste is all you need, too.
Yeah.
How's everyone doing
Set an
this
alert.
morning?
Yeah, I think everyone's pretty good. I think some people
then
took
target the lows.
15
Let's see if
minute
we can turn
sells there,
around and
which
flip
weren't
here.
bad. Below here. And for us, candles kept closing with no top
Another layer
wick, or
already.
closing with
Wow,
no
that
bottom
was
wick and
super
stuff,
fast.
so.
If that's the case here,
Yeah, that's alright.
that's beautiful.
Just wait on it.
Yeah,
Almost at
yep,
35,000, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support here. We reached our target,
Yeah.
so big shout out to you. That's amazing.
Yeah, I feel like if the 15 would have
Many of you guys still are in the Euro USD here.
Top win,
Yeah.
we'd have been in that.
Okay.
Yeah, if we also
Manage
if we
to
get
trade accordingly.
like a 15
If you're still in the
resistance,
Euro
so
USD here.
maybe we pull back, create a resistance on the 15.
We have an alert set for the Euro USD. In
catch it
case we
coming
flip and
back
turn
down
around,
here.
we take a new trade. We take our second
For
trade.
830.
Gold,
830.
we're not there yet. I set as a kind of a potential to see what the risk reward will be.
See
If you want to play it kind of on the safe side
if we
here.
get that pack on there.
Yeah, that's what I was
Yeah, a
thinking. We get
flip would be
get
would be
this
actually really
15
good here.
Top wick, that'd be awesome. Grab that pack and then we run back down.
So I'm gonna buy some potentially play sell stops below here. Not sell stops, but I'm gonna just enter market if you click if you break
yeah,
that
that'll
low.
also, yep, that'll be a 15-minute onion, 30-minute celery, yep, at 8:30, yep, exactly. Yeah.
Sanam, Hungamer, my man,
We're
welcome to
lining
the
up
stream.
now. We're talking the same
I
language.
know you guys are all waiting for the
bottom
magician,
either.
Thomas,
Lovely.
and I'm just holding you
Hello.
guys up here, but he's coming shortly. He's coming shortly.
What time frame are we looking at?
Hello,
This is,
Lorenzo.
15.
Hoe gaat het,
We're
broer?
looking at like the
Goedemorgen.
30
Good
minute
morning,
time.
brother. Nightbot, thank you.
Time frames are all right.
Control your
Yeah.
emotions,
Time
follow your
frames are-
plan. Let the market come to you. Patience, pace.
Yeah, can we get that top wick?
I like that. I like that. So
Can we
Euro
grab the
USD.
pack?
We're gonna take a flip, potential trade to the downside here. If this is the case, we're gonna still target the Asian lows. I think we took our take profit at the perfect level. I think we closed not a big trade. We closed like $200. $200.
Yeah, the 1 hour close on the
However,
bottom wick
a
here,
win is a
right?
win,
So
and we managed to trade
gotta be
accordingly.
careful
And we
with
can
this
always
candle,
look
right?
for the re-entry.
8 a.m.
That's it.
tends
It's
to be a
very
little
simple.
bit of a crazy candle anyway. So I really want to
gold
see
is
us create
interesting
a
though.
top wick for that 15. That'd be just fantastic.
And I'm starting to look at this wick here. This wick is what I'm interested in. And this is a weak low. Not much happening around this low here. We're trying to push up here. Not strong. Am I interested in
That's our
trading it?
5K account, nice,
Gold.
very nice.
Potentially if you break below.
Will this be a seller
The
if it
19,
closes
the
bullish?
1902.
Yeah, it will be. Yup.
Potentially look like a continuation
Yeah,
to the
the only,
downside here.
what
Going
I
for
would
the
much
wick.
rather take here though is I
And,
want to see
yeah,
if
Euro, you
this
see?
candle maybe kind of
Better break even.
further, close bullish.
Wait for internal
and then maybe
confirmation
the
to look for a
next
new
15
trade,
minute,
rather than
close bullish as
sticking
well.
and staying in your position right here
and
after
then
you
we
take
get
some
a
profits. And then,
resistance. Or
now the worst thing
we
is
just
price
get-
going
so we
back.
get
You
something
know,
like
you were in
this,
profit, you
and then
didn't
we'll
take your
our sells
profits.
coming down.
You're back into
Or
drawdown.
if this candle
Price
here
moves
can
against
just
you.
close bullish above the
No.
range,
We took
and
some
then we can
profits.
anticipate the
Stop loss on
fake
break
out,
even.
right,
We
on
got
the
out on
next-
break even with our remaining position.
Let's go to the 15
Now we're
minute.
looking at
So
the
we
internal
get this
structures for
15 minute
turnaround,
to
and
close
that could
above,
potentially
looking something
increase
like
our
this, given that
probability a
previous
bit.
candle at top wick. So
Um,
basically, the pack
and we
runner
just
play,
risk
right?
a little bit
So
less on
boom,
this next
something
trade,
like that.
but because the risk reward
And
is
then
higher,
the next 15
we'll
minute
roughly
candle
end up
closes
making the
bearish,
same if
right?
we
If
still
can
reach
get
the
that,
target.
and then that would lead us into 8:30, right? So at 8:30 we would have the
So
15
let's see
minute
how
time
that
frame looking
how
like
that
this,
goes here.
and we could take our sells now coming back down.
Potential gold sell. Let me see
the
how it
final
is on
push.
the Blackpool one.
Yeah, I think that would be
Push.
perfect. And what that would look like on the 30-minute time frame would just be something like this, right? You have that candle that closed at no bottom wick.
We
You
took
have
some
the
profits on the
bullish
Euro
candle
USD.
here.
Please let me know in the
That
chat.
closed up, right?
Did you guys
Say
take some
closes
profits?
like
It doesn't have to be
this.
much. Well, profits are profits, and it really adds on.
Right? And
If
then
you
that
do
would
this a
just
couple
be us
times,
now
It really adds
taking
on.
sells on a 30-minute celery play.
So
The
that's
only thing
important.
is our entry wouldn't be down
Important,
here. Our
important
entry
to
would
know
be
here.
somewhere up here because we're going to take it off the 15. So we'll see.
Alright, gold's flipping, turning around
Or
here.
price will
This
just
is one
run.
for me potential take
Run,
down here
run,
to the
run.
lows.
We'll be in that for comics. Well,
Let's
Yeah.
open gold.
Yeah, because even though we don't have a bottom wick on this candle, if we can get a bottom wick now on this one,
We're flipping below
that
the
would
low
be
here.
perfect.
Rejection point. 30 minute. Coming down. This is the
There's some
target I'm
support
looking
to the
for.
left.
Something
we
in
can
this,
still be open.
in
Yeah,
this wick.
yeah, because we have volume, right? So when does supports get blasted
Targeting the
through during
lows.
times of volume? So if 8 a.m. is
Breaking
coming
that
and
level.
we're kind of pushing down here, then we
Look
should be
below.
able to push through.
Up was above. Start profit the wick.
This was at 7.
Going for the downside here. The dollar is looking. Oh wait, flipping here. And what about the treasuries?
Yeah, there's some stuff going on at 8:30, yeah, but it's nothing
Yeah.
major.
And we're right in the
Nothing
center for a
major here.
trade. 1-to-1,
Yeah, I think
potentially
it's
take it to
housing,
the
isn't it?
downside, take out the
Yeah.
lows and see from there. And the dollar so far is holding up. The treasuries are doing well, pushing up here.
The dog.
Dollar is pushing up
Just
here.
seen that now.
Euro is just at some support right now, but if
Let
we
the
break it,
dog
we have
out.
our we can put our stop loss and break even quite
Can we
quickly
make
from
a
there.
top wick on the 15? Can we do it?
Cowboy, good morning. Good morning. Hope you're doing well.
So no major news? Nah, no
Forex
major.
Wolf trading, my man in the building.
Yeah, nothing major. I mean, if
Great
you
to
do
see
see
you,
a good
brother.
housing report come out, that is going to be considered good for the economy, so it will factor in.
GJ, your analysis, please. GJ has been coming up strong, if I'm
shouldn't be anything
correct.
too
If I'm
crazy.
correct. Let me see what's going on here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, massive
Recommend
move.
gold for
Massive
beginners.
move here. We came down eventually. Got okay, interesting. We
Yeah,
came
if you,
down
if
here.
you have a live stream
now
like this
facing
where you
that,
can
that
really kind of
resistance.
follow along with, then yeah, I don't see anything wrong with it. But if
overall
you're
it's
just
very
trading on
strong
your own,
still.
then I would probably
But yeah, if you
probably
flip
start
this and
with
you
a
break that low after that
Forex pair.
resistance here, you might be pushing down
it's a
further.
little bit of a slower,
So let's set an
not
alert
as
here.
volatile pair.
The yen is still weak. Every single time we come up,
Listen
I
to
think.
Sam, the little one knows what he's talking about.
Yeah, it doesn't stop, guys. It doesn't stop.
He knows.
GJ, the yen. The yen is extremely weak. Extremely weak over time here.
All right, let's see how that.
GJ
5-minute
Strap
candle
City.
closed. Yeah, if we can come up
Exactly.
and break the highs here, that would
Cowboy
be
says,
awesome.
my brother Gavin, great macro
Yeah,
session
I
yesterday.
really
I
wanna see
heard
that
it. I
top
heard he
wick.
had a great conversation. It's beautiful.
That would just be
Incredible.
great for us in our sample sizing here, you know, on the homework.
Nira lifts,
Any
welcome.
active trades? Nope, not yet. First time on this stream, been able to be patient. Oh, just because of you, Nick. And
Do you need
your
a visa
mod?
to stay
Oh,
in
nice,
Indonesia?
nice.
Yes.
Yeah, patient.
Couple times a week.
Patient.
I agree.
Sauce.
Don't tell anyone. It's definitely the secret sauce. tell anyone about it.
And Lorenzo, question: why is it that indices like the Nasdaq and US 30 produce more profits than a currency pairs using
Those
one
mods are all free now.
0.1 lot size?
Yeah,
Because the
let's see,
units
let's
and the
see.
contract size is different, slightly different measurements right there. So
No top wick on
yeah,
the 5
make sure you
either.
use a calculator.
Yeah, that pack runner is gonna be ideal
That's what matters
before
the most here.
8:30. That's gonna if we can get that, that would add so much confirmation to us moving down now. Especially if we have
Absolutely.
no bottom wick on the 1 hour, right? It gets tough.
Yeah, let's see
man.
what we can learn today here.
Right, if it's
Look
got
at
no bottom
GJ,
wick on
indeed
that 1 hour,
pushing
we
down,
really
getting
wanna
rejected right
see
now at this level.
that 15 create that.
Let's see
top
if it's
wick
enough
up
for
there.
us to break this low. That would give us a nice, confirmation. Breakdown confirmation here, potential flip, turn around for
Been,
GJ.
watching for the last
Let's see if
week
it
or
makes
so, learned
sense here.
So much already. I used
In
to,
regards to the yen.
Oh, already
But,
not to
yeah,
be so
interesting.
jumpy. Yeah,
Interesting
be
thing to
patient.
look at.
Thanks, bro. Got you. Learning the hard
you
way,
know
huh?
the
Yeah,
guys
I think we all kind of
Best
learned the
FX,
hard
this
way
guy
a little
turns
bit, right?
10k into
But
1.5 million.
just understand
and
that you
for 4
don't have
days
to
they
do
release
the
another
hard
one
things
from
too
5k
long,
to
right?
2.2 million
Don't-
in only 10 days.
It's okay to go through
I
the
don't really
beginning
give
and
a
learning the
fuck.
hard way, but once you find your answers, don't keep making the same mistakes, right? There's some people who've been trading for 5-10 years that are still making the same exact mistakes, and then there's other guys who've been trading for 2 years and they're driving McLaren.
Conversations, we're going live in the Discord at New York
Right,
Open
so
in the VIP
don't
Crypto.
stay in that
Yes,
stage
guys, we have
longer
a
than you have
fantastic
to.
team.
It's okay to go through
a
it,
group of
but
individuals that are
don't
very
stay
committed into
there
crypto
longer
as
than
well.
needed, right?
Highly
Get
recommend
the-
you check
get
it out.
Get the
We
answers
have our
that you
premium
need
channels as well. You can
and
join
start
us.
to be disciplined.
Practically,
Start
if you're
to
just
be a
interested in
professional
it,
at that
we even
point,
give
so
away
so
free
you can see
signals and everything like
profitability,
that.
right? And you can achieve the
You
things
just
that
need to
you're
apply,
after
get
with this
access to our
trading.
VIP community.
Because
and,
I know you
we have
guys aren't just
weekly
here for
meetings.
entertainment.
Crypto is gonna blow
Right? I
up.
know you guys want to learn.
sooner
you want to
than
make
later.
money. So the
Or
quickest
something
way
is
to
gonna
make
happen at
money
least.
here is to
Mark my
literally
words.
get
You
professional.
want to be prepared
right?
for that.
The only people that make money
for
here
now,
are the
Forex is, of
professionals.
course,
This
amazing.
is a profession. Gang.
However,
this isn't
it's
a
always
gamble.
nice
It's
to
not a
learn
casino. I
new
mean,
skill
it
here
could be
or,
that for you.
Sometimes
But if you
get
want to
an
make
understanding
long-term
of
income,
the basics
just
of a
tighten
different
up,
market.
man. Just get it
And,
right.
of
Just
course,
listen
with
to what
the
we're
market and
saying
future potential
about
of
being mature,
cryptocurrencies and
professional,
tokenization
and
of the
get
world.
yourself out of
I
that
recommend
phase,
you to
right?
join
Get
us
yourself.
and join
You're
our
done there.
weekly
You've
meetups.
spent enough time there. You now know what to do. You
You
just
trade
got to
crypto
do
up or down?
it. Yeah, you just
Indeed,
got to
like
start
Kevin
doing
said.
it.
So
Day in,
the
day
price
out.
for us
Right?
personally,
Candle didn't fit my criteria.
Kind of
Don't enter.
irrelevant.
Right? It's
Kind
got to
of
be
irrelevant.
very. Sometimes our playbook it'll
Hello, I'm
be
new
wishy-washy.
here. What do you use
It's
exactly to
gotta be
calculate your
black or
position
white, to be
size?
honest, in this trading game,
The
right? It's
trading
got to
view?
either be your setup or not.
trading view.
It's not like,
So,
oh, I'm gonna take it
I
on
use
this time and I'm gonna
This
do this
tool,
that time.
I
It's
create
like,
create
if you
limit
could just
order.
stick
I
to
say
the same
market.
thing
I
day in
type
and
in
day
my
out,
risk,
you'll make an incredible living for yourself, and you'll take a lot of
and
pressure
from
and
there I
stress
make
off of your
a
trading that
decision
way.
here.
So don't stay there longer than you have to, man. Learn the lessons and move on.
Those flips from 10k to 1 million are the worst videos for trading. Nobody can
But
relate to
avoid the
something like
loser
that.
mentality.
You
avoid
can't
the
even
loser
trade it.
mentality.
Yeah,
right?
I'm
And
completely against
you
it.
clearly
I
want
just
to win
think
at
it's
this, right? So develop
like
the
90%
winner's
of it is
mindset, the
fake.
winning
They
mentality.
don't show you how many
Right?
times
If
it
you want
went
to win
wrong.
at some, how would the
They
winners
only
think,
show
right?
you
How would the winners
one
get
that,
through
that
it?
actually went
Keep that
right,
in
and then
mind.
people think, oh,
Because
that's
you're gonna have a
possible. I
process,
can
you're gonna
turn
go through some trial and error.
$5,000 into
And
20
you want to
million.
be aware of that, and you want to know
Yeah,
how to
good
avoid
luck.
that, right? At all costs.
It hurts a lot of
So
people,
think like a winner.
unfortunately.
Yep. Get rid of that wishy-washy losing mentality if you have it, and just get steadfast on what.
Are you
what
planning to
needs
do a
be
sell,
done
or
to
we're
take
in a
your
sell?
trading to the next level. A lot of times it's only a little tweak. It's only a little tweak.
Yeah.
Let's wait for the New York volume to come in here. We have our stop loss above the highs here. We're targeting the Asian lows. It's pretty straightforward. There's not much crazy stuff. There is not much.
Late to the
There are not
party,
many
but I'm here.
crazy
Hey,
confluences
yo.
here.
Good to have you.
This is
So
just
we
a
almost
pretty
got it, right?
straightforward
It almost came up and
setup.
took the high out.
where we have a look
didn't
at
quite
the
do it, but we
sessions
got 8
itself.
seconds left on this candle, and then we have
And based upon
8:15
that, we're trying
approaching.
to
So
take out.
I think if we
the
don't get
Asian
it done
high
on
we
this
failed to
candle, the
break
next
that high
candle may
previously.
pull up
We're pulling
and give us
back.
that top
We're in
wick
the center
at
of this
8:15
range here.
right
We have
here.
these equal
Give
lows
us that
below
top
here.
wick, and then
We
if
have
it
the
comes
wick
down and
from
re-breaks the
yesterday,
low, that's
from the
probably
news
a
in
pretty
New York
decent
session.
position to get into.
Still
So
to take out the New York
let's be
session
patient,
lows as
see
well
if
here.
can
So we
get
have a
that,
couple lows that we need to take out here. We're just taking out
and
the
then go
London
from
lows.
there.
Hopefully we can continue our journey from there and potentially take out the Asian lows. Continuing going into that gap
Yeah,
From
it
there,
can't.
potentially make
It
turn
seemed
around.
like it can't break
No magicians.
1903
I
here.
give this a probability.
But I really want to see that
around
top wick
70%.
form. That'll
Hopefully it's
add
on our
so much
side.
confirmation
And
to
the
our
dollar
trade
looks
here.
strong. The confirmation of the dollar looks good overall. So hopefully we push through it, and we take out the lows here. Shows MetaTrader like Ryan Banks. So we have trading view right here below. It's a live account.
Zao USD out for a pack.
People are not used to it, but that's the
that
way
pack.
you trade here.
En route.
In route.
Grab that pack. Continue running.
Does it require you to have a broker linked with your trading viewer, or you can do this anytime? You need a broker that allows
Yeah, if we could break the high,
trading
that'd be
view.
awesome.
That has an integrated system where you can integrate your broker into TradingView.
Shall she wait for Comex?
Hey bro, got a hypothetical question
out
for
soon,
you.
huh?
If someone was
Yeah,
holding
probably.
GJ short from
At this point,
183,
yeah.
what advice could you
comics
give
might
them?
come up and break
Purely
the highs,
hypothetical, of course. I love it.
and then and then we
183.
come down and re-break the low.
Short. Okay.
Yeah, if we could break the highs, I'm
Um,
gonna have a sell stop on a re-break
that's
of
right
the
here,
lows
huh?
down here. Yup, just like that. But we gotta break this high. We gotta come up and make a top wick there. That's probably gonna happen in about 4 minutes.
That's a tough one, bro. That's a tough one. To be honest, you come back to these lows here. Like what I personally would do, if you're stuck in a position here, I would wait for the yen basket to take out this low. And after these lows are taken out, to see if there's a
Those
chance
stops
of a
would
potential
be-
recovery pullback,
That would only be like 8-9
which can
pips.
potentially reduce your,
So that's
you
not
know,
a
your
bad
loss or your
position right there.
drawdown. Potentially
So
coming
let's see
up.
if we could pump up a
therefore
little
GJ
bit, break
coming
the
down.
highs. and then we'll
I
have
do
a
think that
stop
if you take
loss,
out this low,
up here,
and we're seeing that
and look
reaction
to
that you can
enter on the
hold your
break of the low
position
there.
still open. If it keeps dropping and it fails to break the resistance here, let's say the
Yes,
support
good.
turns into resistance and you break it and you come down further, yeah. At some point you have to think about. It's not nice to hear, but closing your position. So in my opinion, check
Yeah,
out
we've
what
seen
the
this
yen will
happen
do
quite
in
a few
regards to
times
taking
here,
out these lows.
right?
as
Quite
well.
a few times at 8:15, 8:30.
Something,
so let's see
something
if we
like
can
that
get it
here.
now.
Is he trading Euro USD sell? Yeah, so keep in mind guys, this is the trading
Take a
view
trade yet?
terminal.
No, not yet. We're anticipating one though.
My position is below. My entry is here. My stop loss is
Stop
there.
loss? No,
My
I
take
mean
profit is
stop
there.
loss. We'll keep the stops above here. Yeah, sell stop will be on the break of the low there, but not yet, not yet.
Otherwise, what indicator do you
This
use
is
to
targeting
mark the
volume,
sessions on
yes.
the chart?
This is targeting that pack runner move right here.
I would
This is
use
what
the
we've been
tool or the indicator
at
called
sample
Asian session
sizing.
range.
If we come up, break this high,
That's called
once
Asian
we break
session
that low,
range.
price should continue
by-
dropping down.
Let me
If you
see
look
here.
at that, yeah, that looks good.
Rob
So
Minty.
did we break it?
Rob Minty.
Yeah, we came right up.
What
to
about
it.
gold? Gold's probably coming down. Probably as well here. Yeah. However, I want to break at least the daily
there-
support again at
there it is.
1903. So we have an alert set right here. If anything happens with gold, we're simply looking to potentially look for the continuation here after breaking the 1903. The reason why is because of this daily support that we break. We're
Yeah,
again
we got
right
like
here.
10 pip stops here.
It will
I wanna see
also
what
give us a
820 does
nice
here.
indication of a
Let's
potential
watch this.
flippening scenario of
Let's
the daily
watch it.
candle. And that could lead into more downside continuation as well here. So that's what we're looking for. All right,
Yeah,
beautiful.
the one and only
Come
thing
on,
that
that's
concerns me
the
here is
spirit.
The no bottom
That's
wick on
the spirit.
the previous 1 hour candle. But
That's the spirit.
from
Take
my
out the Asian
sample
lows
size
for us.
data,
Give
if
us a
we
beautiful
break
trade.
this low here,
Perfect
gonna
time to
start
start and
pushing
kick
down.
off the stream with. And then we're gonna go to
so
gold.
I'm gonna have a sell stop here, gang. Yeah. Oh shit. Wow. Oh.
Dr. Finbar, thanks bro. Exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah, I'm
Hoping
at
for
sell stop on
retracement
the
to
break
come
of the
back
low
to
there.
break even or a small loss.
Seen this
Exactly what
happen
Yes,
quite a
wait
few
for the
times at
Japanese
this
yen
point.
basket to take out the lows.
Yeah, there it is. So I'm in.
And then usually you
activated
should see
here.
after taking out the lows here some
Got
sort of
into some
retracement.
sells.
And if that doesn't happen, because
Stops
you're
are
still
gonna be
struggling.
kept above the highs here.
Just close your
TP is
position
gonna
and,
be down here, and then I'm gonna go
yeah.
break even right around this point.
and go for it next time here.
Yeah, there it is.
Okay.
All right,
How's the
chat, I'm
month going?
gonna
Profit, loss,
move
break
stops
even.
to break even.
Oh,
I'm gonna
overall pretty good
close
here.
Some partials right there.
We have not a single
And
loss
that's gonna be the quick
in
scout
August.
there.
That's
Oh
gonna
no,
be
we
the
have one loss
pack
in
runner.
August.
Made sense. That made so much sense.
One loss in August, and
yeah,
1,
picked
2,
up the
3,
little
4,
pack, broke the eyes. Gone.
5, 6,
Later.
Oh,
820 did the
6
job.
wins, 1 break
Yep,
even.
820. So volume right there. Now we
6
should
wins, 1 break
continue
even, 1
down.
loss.
Yeah, we should continue down there. So close partials right there.
Let's make this
Around-
7.
Pack runner.
Yeah, around like 8 pips there. And
Beautiful.
then let's see if we can get this thing to run. So these are ways that
That's
we've been
beautiful.
looking at how we could take advantage
Want
of
to take out the
price,
Asian lows?
how we could take advantage of the moves at 820 and these smaller little pack runner.
We're waiting for the
detailed moves
breakthrough
here.
moment. That was the breakthrough
So
moment.
yeah, that was a
The
trade.
moment it broke through that support here, we
Yes,
start
sir.
falling. And yeah, simple 1-to-1
Beautiful.
here. We could put our stops and break
That's how you
even
be fluent with the charts.
after this
That's how
closure.
you be fluent with the markets.
after this 15-minute
Yep.
closure. We put our stops
Yep,
on
very
break
very
even.
quick trade there. But we should now see. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, we should start.
It
to
is
see
1
this
minute and
thing
50
push.
seconds.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
that's
move
crazy.
this TP a little bit. So gang, this is something I've been watching now for a while. So next point of partials are gonna be right down here.
Lorenzo, I think you forgot to put the Australian dollar that got on
Hey,
break
what'd
even
I
in the
say?
spreadsheet. Oh, you're
Max?
right. You're right.
She
Yes,
picks
one
up
more
the
break
pack?
even trade.
Oh,
Yes, you're right. I
bro, that
forgot
was
the
perfect.
CPI.
That was beautiful.
That was
Correct.
That was
Thank
that
you
was
for
great
letting me know.
economics
We'll
right
add
there.
this in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a news trade, but yeah, same as this one. We put that one.
Yeah,
we
hopefully
put
you
that
guys
break
learn.
even
We'll
trade
talk
as well.
about the trade again in a few minutes, but
As
yeah.
well. Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, so gold is actually coming down as well. But gold has strong daily support,
Yeah,
so
this is
I'm
what we've been
very
talking
curious
about
to see
here,
how we
gang, right?
react
We've
here.
been talking
Whereas
about
the euro,
this
I want to
for
see
2-3
definitely
weeks
taking out the
now,
Asian lows here.
You know, we ourselves have been watching this now for
After
a
this
while.
50-minute
is something I
closure,
used
we
to
put
really
our stop
pay
loss on break
attention
even.
to as well. About 2 years ago.
40
when
seconds
trading
left.
Gold, so yeah, there we go. Looking good. All right, I'm gonna close another percentage right there as well.
That's
at
a good
13,
beginning of the
14
of the
pips,
of
and
the
then
stream,
whatever,
guys.
Right? Let's let this thing ride.
That's a great beginning of the stream here. If you want to take some profits here. Of course, do your thing.
job.
Manage your trade accordingly.
Congratulations, everyone. Took
And
that trade. Should see
in
a
20
push.
seconds,
Yeah,
we put
there
a
it
stop loss
goes.
on break even. Just want to see this
Lovely.
50-minute candle closing. Hopefully with not too much of a swing. All right, let's keep
Lead.
this as low as possible.
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, this is a
Later.
full TP down here at
And let's see
19.
from there. All right, that's good. That's good. Stop loss and break even here.
She was a quick one.
And I am gonna
It
take out
makes
some
sense
profits
though,
here.
right?
I'm
Like
gonna
we've
take
talked
one
about
TP.
it so many times where, you know, that first 15-minute candle, 8 o'clock,
Yep.
opens up, messes around,
Yep.
just kind of pulls liquidity, boom, right before Comex, she drives up, breaks those highs, grabs some liquidity, and then that could have been off of like
TP1?
the first 1 minute candle, I guarantee that thing just started bleeding right at
Look at the way the 5 looked too. Right, we had a bunch of taps to this 1903. Then when we finally broke that high, which was right here. Remember, that's what we were waiting on. Right.
All right, W in the chat.
Until we broke that
That's a
high,
win.
we did nothing.
Straight up win.
Once
All right,
we
let's
broke
go.
that high and then
Great beginning of
closed,
the
it
stream,
was a
guys.
5-minute onion.
Let's kick up the likes
Look where our
here. We
entry
have
was. It
900
was on the
people
break of the
watching.
lows. That
300
was the
likes
break
right
of
now at the
15
moment.
low
You can
in
click on
that
this
case,
button right here.
and after breaking the high. So
You would
I
help
think
me
that was
tremendously.
just
I'm trying to give you as much as
Textbook
well possible.
right
I'm trying
there.
to
Yeah,
build the
that
best
was
community
beautiful.
with
Yeah.
each other. We're doing
Now
it
we're pushing.
I just need your help
20
by
pips
smashing
here,
that like
so.
button. It's completely free. You would help
Job
me
well done,
tremendously as
gang.
well. And you get me into the algorithm. You help me blow up. And you help me
So like that's
you know,
set up.
take over the
We just
game
gonna we just call it the pack runner.
practically.
Yeah, that's the pack runner.
I bet.
That's it.
Explain why it needed to break the high first. So, like in my mind, and why I say it needs to break the highs, because it's picking up more liquidity.
Hi,
So,
Lorenzo,
like
how to
as
move your
candles
TP,
throughout the
stop loss and
New
trend
York
users
session,
dragging
if you look
with
at
use of
gold,
mouse,
the
just
most,
dragging,
the
yeah,
biggest
drag and
candles
slide.
are between 8 a.m. Eastern and 10
Yeah.
a.m. Eastern.
Yep.
So naturally, they're gonna increase in size, create bigger wicks, bigger bodies, so
Yes,
they're gonna
absolutely.
break the highs of previous ones. So right there,
We're in this
8
together,
a.m.
fam.
New York session
That's
had
it.
opened up. We broke the highs of the
Anyways, we had a
previous
swing
candle,
trade on the
picked up some
Canadian
more
Japanese yen a
liquidity,
few weeks ago. How did it go?
and then you can see
I,
that there was more
closed it.
volume entering into the market.
After
It broke the
one day.
highs and then came and broke the lows. Look at it blade.
And now look where we're on the
Facts.
daily.
Broke
Because
the
that
lows
big
at
drop, the
820.
dollar shoot up as
Comics
well.
I
open
think that just
too.
makes sense.
So,
Like if you're
The dollar shoot up. Dollar is strong.
Like,
Dollar
Raja
holding up
always
very
says,
strong. The
like,
dollar on the daily looks strong.
fluent with the
Like
market.
it's
Like,
not. It's
I feel
still
like
a
that's just
red candle.
watching,
However you see
watching
the
that happen
demand
so many times. And now,
stepping in.
yeah,
The wick
like,
on the top side is
see
not
Nick's
that
chart
big.
daily candle.
So it's like, you know, we
That was
might
all
be flipping
top wick.
again.
Now we're flipping.
We're
driving
still
that
holding
barrel.
above the Sunday
Remember when
open.
we
So
came
it's
to
overall
the-
When we
just higher
opened the
time
market,
frame.
Yeah,
on
when
a
we came to
Wednesday.
the chart this morning,
We
right?
came back, we held
price
here,
was
I was
bullish.
like,
we were
yeah, no,
anticipating how
it's
can
looking
we
too strong.
catch the push down and
Euro
the flip of this
had equal
candle,
lows
right,
built
to
up for
fill
the
that
Asian
wick.
session.
So
the Asian
that's all
lows
we've
were
done,
here.
right? That's all we've done here.
Equal lows were built up below.
Just anticipated
We're
this
like, no.
move.
We're in
Couldn't
the
get
middle of
in
the
on
range
first
here.
half of it.
We have a beautiful
Took the,
one-to-one right there.
Took the trade
We
at
go for
what,
the lows. Give it a
8.15?
70%
And
chance
now
that we get
8:30
there.
should continue on, right? We should survive on our break even, and we should continue on. And if we do close below this range
For me,
here,
it's usually the
then
golden
we may take
combination when the
another
London
position
comes
here.
up midway through reverses, and then
but
the
lovely,
Asian session is
lovely,
equal lows.
Now that was my
Um,
first. Or that
practically
was one of our first
not
trades
taken
on the
out
pack
yet.
runner
And
there.
we have a
so
gap
I
below
did
and imbalance
probably
below as well.
close maybe a little premature
yeah.
there. But as we continue to see
Some
this
really nice
more
target
often
points right here.
and come
So that's
tap
definitely
into
something
the
that I'm
bottom of
always
the
looking for.
range,
We
these are
might be able to
positions that
take
we
it a
can
little
look
bit
to
longer.
hold,
Let's see how it goes here. But hopefully
as
we
we
push
move
down
into
further.
8:20, 8:30,
Regardless, we have taken some
8:45, and then
profits.
probably close up shop around 8:45.
I feel like that was like
Otherwise,
a
I really
standard
enjoyed
way
the
you'd
stream.
want
Can
to
you explain what you
execute
did?
it,
You
though. Like
see
very,
where
like,
it
you know what I
sell
mean?
you.
Once it came and
So we took
broke
the
the
sell
lows again,
below the
takes them off the table
15-minute
because
low.
it's like at
So
that
the
point
reason why
it
we
should
took that
continue
sell
driving.
there,
Right? It shouldn't
because
come back here eventually.
and
then
I think many of you guys
as
know
it
it.
came down and hit the next support, I believe you took
This
some
was the
more.
last low
Yeah.
that created this high. We broke that low. It was right in the center.
Yeah,
Risk to
W.
reward
I
was
feel like
good.
that was awesome.
And we took an entry back there.
That was cool to capture.
On support.
Just
Yeah,
like
it was good to see that. It was really
Clip it,
nice
clip
to
it,
see
Sometimes
that.
the direction is
Yeah.
more important here.
Because and
We've
that's
taken
what,
some
you know,
profits here,
like,
so I highly
we
recommend you
weren't
do
gonna
the same
budge
thing.
on this unless we got that high, right? To
At
break.
least like take one
So it was
TP
really
and then leave the
cool
rest
seeing
running.
that
Mhm.
play out again, right at 8:15, and then getting activated
That
around
wasn't break even
8:20.
already.
Because what I was looking for there
Make sure that
was,
this is,
will we
clear.
break the high at 8:20? But here's what happened: we ended up breaking the high at like 8:18, 8:19. So once 8:20 came around, we were starting to drive back down. So I
Once you
figured,
click the
hey,
star on the left,
if we've broke it
bottom
now,
left, you
then
have all the favorite
8:20
tools
now
on
may
screen.
break the low
Okay.
for the push,
I will.
right? Instead of break the high
look at it here.
first. So it already broke that high. So now if we still have if we're still approaching 8:20, then that means if we're gonna push down, we're gonna break that low at 8:20, and we're gonna actually be in that push. So once 8:20 came, that's when price started dripping down a bit, and then that's when
we're
we
gonna
set the
get
sell
back to
stops
gold here.
and,
We have
you know,
we have
got
an alert set
activated
on
like
gold.
3 seconds
We
after.
just keep a close eye on it.
But we do have a new 30-minute
For now,
candle closing up shop
you
here,
can
so
definitely
let's see what happens.
We tell that the
Because,
treasuries are
we
still
may have
moving up.
opportunity for more positions.
Stock market's not looking that good, and the dollar is moving with the
big W. I
treasuries
like
right now. We're facing some resistance here, so we're seeing a little pullback.
I like that.
Hopefully, it will not break.
Boom, once it broke that
put
high
us on break
too.
even.
It was just like
Yeah.
you knew.
But yeah,
Yep.
that's how we take profits. We took profits at the right moment.
Yeah, that added so much confirmation to our
flip
trade
will be
right
better.
there.
Yeah, me too.
Of
yeah.
course.
And then of course the low at 820. I mean,
Yeah,
where GJ is at?
exactly.
Yeah.
Well, because
I
it's
think it was
like
better.
I believe like we talked about it too a little bit last night, Nick, where it was like we were saying like when the session's kind of open, it looks like price will pull towards where it wants to move from.
Yeah, exactly.
And so like so like at
Okay.
820,
same thing. Still
it
there.
wanted to move
Not
from
much happening at the moment.
1903, so it pushed up towards it, broke those
Yeah.
highs, and then right from there.
Yeah, I have an alert set on GJ at
And then it's like if you look at all the price
185.477, so
action
below
too,
that
it
was
all
low,
ends
looking
up
for the
lining up
continuation to
every
the
time.
downside.
5 minutes.
Yep. Exactly. Yeah, if you missed the trade, don't worry about it. It's a newer trade. It's the
Yeah.
pack runner. It's something. It was quick, right? It's okay, right? Don't worry about it. But you had an opportunity here, right, to see that position, and you guys have heard us talking about this position now for a couple weeks here. So today we finally really got an opportunity to impose our will here in the market from there. So
Look at the euro trading dollar.
yeah,
I am like
So
your
yeah,
live
candle
stream.
closed, but it
Look at
closed
your
right at
USD.
support here.
Australian dollar. Yeah, we had
So
a trade
I'm
today
gonna
on your
wait because
Australian
we
dollar.
may pull back for the 4 hours.
Yeah,
So
during the London
at
session.
this point, I want to see if the 4 hour
go-
can close
on
up
right now.
here and give us a wick fill, or
Alright,
are
we're
we gonna
pushing
get a
down
breakout? Right?
again.
Are we gonna get an onion or a
we're starting
breakout
to
on the
lose strength.
4 hour time
Starting
frame?
to
Right, that's
lose
kind of the
strength.
question. So we'll just wait on that. Yeah, but just lovely, and that's
Yeah,
also a
interesting, but
way,
we're not
gang,
there
that
yet.
we can
have to
take
push down a
advantage
little
of the
bit more.
previous candle at closing with no bottom wick, right? It kind of washes itself out after you wait for a couple candles sometimes, right? Not all the time. There's specific little nuances like this pack runner that we really need to see
continuation here,
before we
getting bought
even
up right now.
think about
Hopefully we
executing with
will
no
not,
bottom
tap
wick or
into
something
our,
like that, right? So, and
into our
again,
zone here.
a lot of volume, right? We're depending on volume there. So there's a lot that goes into it, but we'll continue to talk about it, right? We'll continue to explore this move as it's being added to our playbook.
Hourly candle is closing soon.
Should we enter now? No way. No way, Jose. Yeah, so let's mark that up on the spreadsheet here. So that was what time? I missed the last 2 times. I gotta look back at the stream, but that was at
Pushing up
8:15.
very
That was
slow and
8:20.
steady here.
820, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll mark that 820.
Very, very, very slow and steady here.
And we have to add the pack runner here to the playbook.
I learned in an academy and they teach us to take risk management like 1 to 4, 1 to 5. What do you think about it? I think it
We'll have
depends
to
on the
get
strategy
like
and your win rate.
here, I can just do it right now.
It all
Maybe
depends on
I'll
your
just
win
make
rate.
like a little thingy on how it looks.
Did you start the stream earlier today? No. No, we
Yeah, how do you add one?
started at
It's
7
a
a.m.
Good question.
Who knows how to add one here?
Maybe 5 minutes
Um,
earlier,
Definitely
later.
smart enough.
Press the pencil then.
No, it doesn't.
You sure? Did you try it?
Yeah, I did it.
What can you say about the Japanese yen? Looking weak. Looking
Oh,
who knows
go
how
to
add it?
add another
very
item
weak.
on the bottom.
We're reaching a strong
Right.
low.
Oh, look at your right.
So we might find some support there shortly. I will go over it in a second again.
Oh, add another item?
See what I'm talking about?
Oh, okay.
See that on the right?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yeah, yesterday
Back
I
runner.
explained, I talked to you guys about how I
Back runner.
lost
There
Add
it
it
is.
for,
a lot of money.
Back
Yeah, make
runner's
sure it's
in the
for all.
building.
There it is.
So if you're
Hold on,
going through a
I'm gonna
similar
make it a
phase
little
where you're
thingy too.
losing,
Holy.
you get angry at
Back runner.
I guess we'll see.
yourself,
We should probably save
trust
it.
me, I've been to that same phase. And if you just keep
Will it still fit?
What you think? I mean,
persistent, it's gonna be a phase, and it's
Yeah,
gonna
we're
be
good.
Over at some point.
All right,
and you start
perfect. That was off
breaking
the
even.
15-minute time
for a
frame.
while.
Full risk. Got about 10 pips there, and then I think I still have the position open, but I would say I closed the. Oh no, we got stopped.
And
at
even
break.
that is a phase, and
Perfect.
eventually
So this 4-hour
Toxic.
candle can now
So,
pull back.
we can turn this
That's
into a
I am very
We're in our
toxic.
own,
Like,
We can
hold.
close. Let's get rid of all this real quick. If we can get a closure below here on the 4-hour time frame, then we're gonna continue
Right, so
down
hopefully
here
with you,
and that'll make a
included
lot
as
of
well
sense
here,
off the
we can
daily
turn
time frame. So
that
let's see
into
how this 4-hour candle closes. We'll
we
keep an
can
eye
turn
on US
you
30 here as
personally
well,
to profits.
and
as well. That
and
would
then
be
we may
amazing.
be able to get
That's why we're here. 4
more
days a
positions, because listen, this is our target here today,
week.
right? This wick
You
fill,
know, to give
that's
and
the
help
daily
and direct.
wick fill right there. That's what we're targeting. So we really want to see the lows break at 19
Back to you in the
100,
markets.
19 yeah,
always should do
1900,
your
like
Your own due diligence, your own research.
500ish, like right around there. We want to see those lows break, and I think a simple closure now below
However,
this
see this
support
as
will
a
do us right here.
see this as an indicator.
Yeah, actually, let's
That's it.
scroll left a little bit, make sure. Yeah, that looks clean. That looks clean. So we'll see. Either we'll take our positions.
Euro
because
dollar
if we
about to
can
hit
get
break even.
somewhat
Hope you
of, like,
take some
a new
profits.
15-minute,
We took profits at the one.
pack runner situation, then we can
9.08.
do that. Or we can just kind of see, hey, where can the 4-hour candle
I did
make
not
this top
expect
wick
it
till, and
immediately
then see if we can
retracement,
get
to be
fake outs
honest.
over
I
there.
didn't.
But as of right now, that was the push on gold, the 8 a.m. push. And now the next time volume will come in,
Not expect
be,
that retracement. I definitely was like,
NYSE
okay, we're
over
gonna
here.
potentially look for a continuation to the downside, maybe a little wick to the upside and then a flip. But we cannot predict the market here.
perfect. All right, let's see here.
Is Fridays your off day? Friday is is a day where I trade crypto. I dedicate 1 day a week fully trading crypto, because I'm a big fan of
Your stream's kind of
crypto.
blurry. Just refresh it on YouTube. Yeah, make sure you're in 1080p. Somebody was watching the stream in like 480p for for like 3 weeks.
Dollar flipping or what's going on here? Let's see where we at.
You can get the journal right there. So yeah, it'll be in the chat.
Yeah, it's okay. The dollar is flipping indeed. Interesting though. We might get stopped out here a little bit. And then we look
Got
for
stopped at B.
stopped out
Yeah,
of
I think
break even,
everyone got
or in
stopped at
profit
B.
actually.
Yeah, and look, so
Well,
all
let's
we
see how we
did
react
was
here.
we weren't trying
And,
to call the whole move down,
okay, we're out.
right?
Yeah, we're out.
All we did was
Okay,
we
we're
tried
out.
to catch the
We
820
took a
push
little
to
win here.
retest that support there, right? Because we knew that this candle closed with no bottom wick, right? So if this candle closed with no bottom wick, what do we know about that? We know that candles
And
with no
yeah,
bottom
we'll add
wick,
it later.
really,
Let's
the
see
next
how
candle
we
really
react
won't
right now.
last that long. But if you're in a time frame, right, where you have
So I'm gonna
high
take this to the
volume
lower
like
time frame.
820 coming in, or 830 coming in, or 930, those are the times where volume is going to make those pushes. So one thing we've been observing lately is this 15-minute candle here. A lot of
And we look
times
at the
around
dollar.
8:15, what's going to happen is there'll be a candle with no top wick. And remember what we said about the 8 a.m. candle? It's very all over the place, right? So we didn't want to enter here. Someone was asking why not enter on the flip. You'll come
Let's
to
see if we can
realize
continue
through
for a
experience
re-entry.
why
For now,
we
not
don't
yet.
like to take this 8 a.m. candle. It's very up and down, very
Your
wild.
trade is great.
It's
Do you
like a
always
cowboy.
Trade like
So
scalping?
we wanted to see that
No.
high break. We didn't get that high to break, right? So
No,
the
but
next
the reason why I'm doing this
what
is
were
on
we saying?
stream
Hey,
is because
if we can pull
people
up
cannot
now,
watch
fill the
every
wick, and make a
time.
top wick for this candle,
And if you're gonna like
and then come down and re-break the
intraday
lows,
trade,
you're gonna see a high
it's gonna
push.
take a long
Now,
time.
we have to as
We
we
do not
trade
have
this
that many
more,
trades
we'll
at
get
the
more
same
comfortable
time.
with it. But we wanted to
We
at
will
least
probably
fill
experience
this
a lower
wick and
win rate,
continue
higher
down
risk to
into that
reward.
support level. So that's what you've seen happen, right? Price kind
Whereas,
of reflipped bearish,
on
drove down,
stream we
retested that support.
like to win as
I
much as
think we
possible.
closed
It's pretty
partials
straightforward
right
because
around this area right here.
imagine
And then
you
that
join
was the
in the
move,
live stream,
right? And
you
then that
cannot
was the
join every
move. So
single day, and then
yeah,
you
you'll
only
see us.
join
You'll
our
see us
losing
take this
trades.
position more often.
Or the losing
'cause
trades, I
it
think.
plays out.
That would
so
be a
well. So
disaster.
well.
So I looked at a
So
strategy
now
around
we just wait for
70%,
the
75,
4-hour here, and
70%
it's
win
looking
rate.
good. It's looking real good. I'm still short. Yeah, if you're still
Zero.
short, I mean,
Okay, there we go. Are we
probably
holding
gonna
here with the
continue
dollar?
down, right? Look at
Pushing.
the daily candle. That should give you hopes, right? If you're still in sell positions
gold.
right now, you are.
We will
looking
check
good.
it out later.
Looking good.
We just
Yeah, the only
just
thing
came out of
that
a
you
trade here.
have
We're just
coming
trying
up
to
is
see
a new
what's going on
4-hour
here.
top wick. So that's the only thing you have to try and survive. And once that's formed, then it should start to push.
we
Do you
might
have-
be able
Do you
to.
have a funded account? How do they pay?
can do trades
Yeah, you
soon.
gotta. They'll send you an email, so you can set up your contract. So you can set up the funded trader you're using. They believe, yeah, they use Deal, so you can use Deal. You can use crypto, whatever it is that you want.
Full range,
Not dumbass.
continuation,
They pay pretty good. How do they pay?
breakthrough,
Pretty good.
up is above the
Hey,
highs.
they pay.
As long as they pay, they good. Pack runner, my
Here,
favorite position now.
I
Nice.
drew up a like a little like a playbook thingy. Here, I'll do one for the bullish as well. I sent it to you over on Discord. Tell me if you like that. Make it look a little better than I have it drawn, but
Wait,
is that not what?
The new trade here.
Oh, let me see.
Our second trade
Yeah.
of
Yeah,
the stream.
it is. Bingo.
We took some
Perfect. I love that.
profits here. Price
Yeah,
came
we'll
back
put
to
that in
break even.
the curriculum and everything.
Now we still
So,
have that
Yeah, I'll have
rejection
to
point
do it
right
for
there.
a bullish one.
So me, Sam, and John have been really paying attention to a lot of things and a lot of concepts on ways that we can continue to pull money from the markets, and those are things that we're going to be introducing in the elite program. So all these new concepts, well, not all of them because there's only like 3, but everything that we've been working on, sample sizing, like behind the scenes, is all starting to play out, right? So today we really wanted to introduce this trade to you guys, right? We've introduced it briefly, but and I think this is our second time taking this position, but this will be a position we'll look to take more often, and we're gonna do a lot of teaching on this and a lot of good stuff. All the new concepts will be coming out with the elite program, and then we'll be introducing them on stream, and you guys are gonna be happy, man. You guys are gonna be happy. Trust me. Hey. Phase 2 pass with the pack runner. Let's go, Michael Cook.
Let's go.
W's in the chat
Beautiful.
from Michael.
Do we like to do it?
Congratulations.
What do we do there?
Hey, we love the pack run.
Yeah. I closed the rest of it
There.
at 20. So 20 and then. All right, good stuff. Good stuff.
Closure. Below these wicks here. Potentially on the 15-minute. If we come close to the hourly, of course, an hourly candle closure would be better.
Oh, nice. Big
Lorenzo,
W,
your
Nick.
story yesterday about losing
383
everything and
bucks,
almost
let's
giving
go.
up on trading was so inspirational.
There.
Good job on not giving
Beautiful.
up. I'm stuck on break even for 2 months now. I'm so frustrated.
What's the challenge at, Nick?
My man, it's all
now
face.
we're probably
The fact that you are break even for 2 months already is amazing. That means that you are
I'm up
already
1% here
outperforming
now,
most
so
traders.
back on track.
So you're actually doing great. So
Lovely,
keep going,
lovely.
bro.
Yeah, Chad, you gotta see, you know, when we take trades,
I could definitely
times of
avoid
value,
it,
when
these
there's
big
times of
losses
value when
before
we take a
in my
trade,
trading career. I could have
you gotta be
avoided
on your
it.
feet, right? It's important to be on
Yeah,
your feet.
I'm a
Make
guy.
sure
I need to
you're
learn
quick
things
to
the hard
manage
way.
risk,
I've
because
learned
price is
things
gonna
the
be
hard way
quick.
my whole life.
Yep.
So in times of
And
value,
that's why I
just
am
make
how
sure
I am
you're on
right
your
now.
feet,
And
know what you're
you know,
doing, right?
when you learn things the hard way,
So
it
everything will be
creates
clear.
character.
So this is the pack
So
runner.
sometimes it's
right?
good
This
to
is
learn
a
things the hard
simple
way and not the
display
easy
of
way.
the pack runner right here.
Because that just
Yep.
gives you the experience and that deep emotional
Yeah, we'll continue to
feeling
explore
of
this
regret,
opportunity over and
of,
over again. Trust me.
you know, whatever it is, for you to build some character, to become a stronger version of yourself, and therefore automatically.
Does the funded trades get closed automatically? What do you mean? On the copy trader?
Grow exponentially.
If you're asking about the copy trader, then yes. Yep.
So yeah, let's look for that continuation, see if it's possible, if you can see a closure below that body, and we just take that new trade right here. Euro USD potentially. I think there's a big chance we could come down, take out the Asian lows here. The reason why I'm not entering now is simply because of the risk to reward.
Can't thank you enough, Nick. When I joined,
That's how we take
when
some
the wins
profits.
were coming easy. The losses had taught me so much and made me a better trader. I was down 5%.
No
now
luck
I'm
with
back
indices,
up
no.
one. There you
The
go.
most losses we made,
See, now you
during
guys are
July
thinking, why was I even
were on the
quaking, right?
indices.
That's what you're thinking now. What was
Actually
I worried
crazy
about?
if you look
See,
at
I
it.
had the
Um,
experience already in the long
practically all our wins,
and a lot of
and all
guys
our
in
losses
chat
were
were just
indices.
really just, I don't even know. like,
I
upset that
did
they
some
took a
deep
loss,
research and,
right?
and I
So,
looked into what happened.
you know, a
and
lot of you
so on and
guys
so on
now
here.
are basically coming
It
back up
just
from
came
that.
down
And was it really a
eventually
big deal?
to,
Right? We've taken 20
skipping the
losses
first
the
hour.
entire year. Right?
And
We
just
just
wait
happened
for
to
hourly
take like
closure.
4 or 5
And I'm
of them
talking about
in July or whatever
a
it was.
30-minute
July,
closure
right?
after the hour.
And
so that
everyone's
means that an
switching
hour after the New York Stock
strategies
Exchange open, we wait for the closure.
You know,
Everyone
and we could see
quaking.
from there.
switching streamers and yeah, it's crazy, man. Crazy.
Yeah,
Oh,
sometimes
Quake.
it happens when you know, you're just not performing
Quake.
well on one particular
Laying down to be a
instrument.
trader. Just Be clear.
In
Make
July
clear.
for us it
Down
was
4% on my funded account.
during
Any
the
advice?
indices.
Yeah,
Gold was
just
amazing.
show up tomorrow and look for the
Indices
next
went
best
up.
trade.
Let's see this month.
Yeah, chat. Remember, like the market
Where
is never
we sound
wrong.
Dutch,
Right? It's always right.
100% Dutch.
It's
I
us
think, or
traders who are
50%
sometimes
Dutch.
wrong and sometimes right. So
Carry
like
long gold
the odds
if
are
you get a
stacked against
rejection at
us.
the Asian low.
So we have a greater responsibility as traders
So,
to position ourselves on the right
Whenever
side
I
of the
see
market,
so many
right?
wicks below here,
So when we see things happening
it
over
shows
and
that
over
there is
again in
indeed
the
a lot of
charts,
demand.
that's
But
our
look at the dollar.
opportunity to take
The dollar
advantage
is
of
not
it.
showing
So when we
direct
see things happen over again,
weakness at the moment.
the next day we
had
see
it
it,
in the
it's our
pullback,
advantage to take
but you
opportunity,
see
right?
immediately when the 30-minute
So
candle
keep
came
that in
down,
mind.
we pushed us back up here, and we're now flipping that candle bullish
Keep that in mind,
potentially
right?
very soon.
And as
This
you're
is still
thinking
good
long
for the
term,
dollar, right?
you-
So if that
yeah,
happens,
as you
it
continue
continues.
to trade,
This
you're
is a
gonna
higher
see
low.
things happen over again.
This
You're
is a
gonna gather
weaker high.
experience
We could take out that high,
and take advantage
and
of that.
therefore we
right?
could come down to push
There's no
still
right or wrong
below
effects.
that support we have right now at 1901, and potentially come down to fill up that wick. That's what we're looking for if you close a body below here. For the Euro USD,
Hey, you're reading the Forex
I
mindset.
think that there is a
That's
chance
what's
that
up.
we could come down to take out the
That's a
Asian
great
lows.
book right there. Great book.
We're almost there.
Yep,
And I'd be
exactly.
surprised if you will not take it.
Exactly.
We will not take it out.
Yeah, and that's why you also can't get offended too, right? You can't get offended with whatever the charts do, right? Because they're always right. So make sure you
No
understand
pip
that.
value
Right?
in journal.
important to understand
no
that.
pip value, but I'm always looking at minimum of 20-25 pips. That's the minimum I'm personally looking for. Anything less than that is not, for me personally, not that interesting.
Yes, exactly. Always,
if you're
always
new
use your left
and
side
you're
of your
first
brain
time to
instead of
this
your right.
channel here,
Think logic
we do this
first.
4
Yup,
days a
left
week.
side has logic, right side is
Keep you
emotional.
guys
Love it.
entertained.
Hey, you're
throughout
learning
New
from
York.
the
Hopefully you
Forex
learn
mindset,
something
though.
every
That's
single
what's up.
session. At least that's what I'm trying. And yeah, our Discord is absolutely crushing right now at the moment here. The Limitless Lounge, where we hang out as well together after the stream, during the stream, before the stream, are completely packed right now at the moment. So that's absolutely amazing. Highly recommend to join our Discord.
John, what do you eat
to
after
see what we're
5
doing here on
p.m.?
a
Just
day-to-day basis.
beef.
The
I'll
share-
have
the setups
some
that we
ground
share,
beef, some rice,
so
and
that's
some
why we're-
eggs.
It's free to join,
That's usually
I
my dinner.
guess.
And it doesn't have to
It's
be
better
after
than trading
5.
alone.
Yeah, whenever,
Much better than
whenever you
trading
know,
alone.
whenever I want.
Doing together with
I just eat once a day.
a nice group of individuals.
Something slight too.
Something slight. Little
Something
beef.
slight.
Little beef.
The Discord is where it's at.
Beef,
Oh,
little eggs,
baby.
little rice.
Let's see, let's see, let's see.
Hey, thank you, Star. Thank you, Star. Appreciate that.
What is your equity? Around
Kind words.
160k.
Hey, appreciate that, Star.
Yeah, that was a quick trade, man. That
Yeah,
was
wrong
quick.
page. My bad. There we go. Euro is going for the lows. Yes. We're gonna go for the Asian lows. I think it's a big chance here. So if you're still in, let me know who's still in the Euro USD here. From the trade that
I
we took.
stopped cheating on you.
Yo, we
other
still on that
streamers.
diet.
Oh man. Yeah, no more squiggly eyes, gang. No more squiggly eyes.
Jose, you're still in. Ice, you're still in. Mihao, you're still in.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, that was beautiful. That was
G-Bro
really
is still
nice
in the
to see.
short. Amazing.
Very, very proud and happy on the way we handled that, the way we took that trade. It was quick, it was fast,
Okay, yes.
but
Target
it
is
did
still the
job,
109.
man.
A little bit below the 108.9.
Yeah, that was nice,
Or-
bro. Right? That
Waiting for
that
gold to come down
5-minute
and break
candle
below
was
here.
the candle we just. That was all we needed, right? That was the only candle we needed right there. So that worked out well. The
what
4
about
hours gonna
GJ?
close here pretty soon. So what I want to see is I either want to see the 4-hour candle close, you know, right above this zone here or right below this zone here. If we close, you know,
I mean,
anywhere
it's getting interesting
in
now.
the middle, it's gonna
Getting interesting for sure.
gonna be
Higher
a
high, we
little
swipe the
challenging
highs.
here. So
And we're
if we
coming
can
down to
close
break
below
the
that
lows.
support, that would be great.
It's usually a
Or pull back and leave a wick
bearish
fill.
signal here.
That would be lovely too.
expanded,
So we'll
creating
see
that double
what
top
happens. We got
formation
10
and
minutes
flip.
left on this candle. But so far, so
what
good.
is about what are you about the Japanese yen here?
Yeah, look at that. Came
Yen
right up
is
to the
coming
high.
Okay,
Never
let's
broke
break
it.
this high for the yen.
Push down. Those were our stop losses.
Show us
too
some
right there.
strength.
So yeah, this is a trade that
We
could
might be
potentially
able
hold on
to look at GJ as
Just
well
be
here.
prepared to go back and draw down sometimes and hang on to it because especially when all these time frames add up, like the daily,
Interesting.
like if we break this daily low,
It is
now,
interesting.
This
It
thing
is interesting.
gone, right? This thing is gone. So
Euro's coming down.
that's we have an opportunity here, right? To
Gold
to
almost
take advantage
breaking.
of.
Man, life is the market is so much better today than it was. You know,
And we
yesterday
honestly
and
we could have been in the
Monday.
position since 7:15 here, right? But there was a lot.
We
of
have to wait for the hourly
consolidation on
closure.
30,
We are
so I
10
didn't
minutes
wanna-
away for the
I
hourly
wanna see
candle.
that candle close.
Hopefully we don't come down too much.
And look, we could have been in it at
But we have to wait for the hourly close here.
7:30 here too if we had a bottom wick.
Just because of
But
the.
there wasn't an opportunity for us there at 7:30. So, and then there was no opportunity for us at 8. So that's why we had to wait for 8:15, and we needed that pack runner
manipulation
play.
happens
Got
around
it,
the hourly,
now
and we
it's our
had
trade.
all these wicks.
And now we're
And
just
what usually
continuing
tends to
run.
happen is that it's down,
And there go
and then the
daily
last
lows.
moment before the hourly closure or the 30-minute closure,
Lovely.
boom,
Or no, this is the
sellers
daily
or
low
buyers
right
come into play, and
here. Yeah,
you
so if we
close
break
right
these
here.
daily lows, pull back a little for the 4
It's
hour.
annoying,
We're gonna,
but we have to wait for the
take more
hourly.
Positions from 1901 down here to 1896 for that daily wick fill.
Pavel says Lorenzo, three trades
Just wait
done
on-
for today with you.
Wait on it.
Amazing, man. Amazing. Great to hear.
Update. Oh yeah, there go the daily lows right there. Lovely, lovely. So now if we could pull back,
Yeah,
that's
we're going
gonna be
there.
Perfect.
We're going there.
So we break the daily lows. We pull back now on the 4 hour. Once we re-break that low, goner.
The Asian lows.
Goner. Like Sam, I'm gone.
Yeah, you might hear that today.
Yeah, that was big.
Yes, closure in
Broke
8
those
minutes.
lows now.
So hopefully we close around here.
Broke the
Below
lows
that
in the last
level.
8 minutes
That's
of
the first body
4 hour
closure.
candle. Now all we need
In
is
the
a pullback
1,
on
2,
the
3,
4 hour
4,
and
5,
then
6,
our
7
top wick,
times
and then
that
we're
we
good to
have
go.
been coming down, wicking below, and then eventually still
Live or recorded? Oh
coming
no,
up
this
here.
is a recorded stream. This one isn't live.
Pushing. So we have to wait for the hourly closure. Too much manipulation happening around the hourly. Especially
Yeah,
1
Daniel,
hour after
grass-fed
New York
ground
open,
beef
30
all
minutes
day.
before the New York Stock Exchange
All day,
open.
brother.
Wait for that closure. Avoid a lot of headache.
I'm not even here right now. Yeah, I'm not even. Yeah. It's scripted and pre-recorded.
Lorenzo, what is normally your daily screen time? I'm trying to
Chat
avoid
is
as much as
recorded.
possible,
Dreaming.
but for now,
Your
I'm
comment
going hard,
was
so what I do, I
pre-recorded
wake
as
up
well. Yeah, like John said, you're currently in
and
a
I
dream
go
right
to the
now.
beach
Yeah, you're in a dream. Wake up.
and I go surfing. After surfing, I go and do the London session, pre-London, like an hour before. And then I'm
Sam
doing the
snooped us
signals for you
yesterday with
guys
the I'm gone.
in the point of control channel.
A
He said,
little
I ain't-
trolling.
He's like, I ain't even gonna do
Fully
it.
focused on that,
You're just gone.
making sure that the signals are there.
I actually said,
You
what did
make
I
some
say?
money?
It
Yeah,
it
that
felt
was
so
mad
weird
funny.
saying it.
Of
I
course,
don't. I
proof.
accidentally clicked.
I take all the
leave though
trades
before,
myself. It's an extension
was
of
like,
me.
See ya.
Make sure that this is
Something
good.
like that.
Then I take a little break,
Yeah.
have some
You
meetings.
said I know what you
have
guys
some
are
good
waiting
food,
for, but
then the
I'm
live stream
not doing,
in
and then
New
you
York,
just hung up.
in the evening.
Yeah, I know. I meant to say
And,
see ya, but I accidentally clicked the button
Have a
Bird.
good time with you guys again.
to leave.
And then after New York, a little meeting,
This one's recorded.
and then I'm gonna sleep.
Are you streaming FOMC? Yeah, we always stream FOMC, but today,
What a
this
wonderful
afternoon,
schedule.
it's
I
not
love
the
it.
FOMC you're thinking of. Yeah, these are just little meetings going
6
on. There's no
minutes
press
for the
conference,
closure. Hopefully we
power,
close
anything
below
like
it
that.
and not too far below it.
Yeah, this was lovely. So we broke the lows there in the last 10 minutes of the 4 hour, and now we're going to pull back very nicely here. So when we re-break the lows, this thing is going to be a goner, man. I think
If you guys want to get
I would
access, because
love
I
to
have
see a
so many
30-minute
questions
cell
about the
replay here
vitrine, about
today.
the new signal
Set
channel
up
here.
so
Yes, it is a one-time payment. It is not a monthly payment. And it costs you practically nothing. You should be
Lovely,
making your money back quite soon, quite quick. 97 bucks, lifetime access. You also get
Nick
access
is a
to our
robot.
courses, everything in there. Sounds delusional, but it is the reality. We're going for
I'm time traveling.
like
right
true community building here.
now. Yeah.
So we're trying to give as much value as possible
Yeah,
here.
4 hour on US 30.
And I recently started the Signal group, which I'm personally very excited about.
Looks like we may have a breakout here.
Because
Clean
New York is
traffic
not the
here on
only
US
session
30
when we
today.
trade. We had actually 4 trades over the last days, or 5 trades very
Oh,
quickly.
nice. Just bought my first
Also
Magic
just
keys.
before New
So
York,
I got to say
or
it's a pretty good tool.
after
yeah.
New York, or in London.
Oh yeah. Can we
So
see your
it's
settings?
important.
Yeah.
And look at happening here. This is the exact reason why we wait for
Magic keys.
the closure.
No trips this week?
So if you're
Yeah,
serious
me
to
and my
join
wife
us
are
in
going
our
on a trip
community,
later on
in
this
our
week.
premium community here, we have 1,000
Yeah, it's
people
gonna
in
be
there
our
right now.
birthday this weekend, so
And you're fully
we're going away
committed
for the
to
weekend.
change something. Like these people
But
are right
yeah,
here.
the only thing
you
I've
know,
really changed
absolutely
here
changing
is
their life.
I use fixed
And not just their
lots,
life,
and I use
also
my whatever lot size.
their life
and,
style. Right? It
the
starts
only
with your
thing I
lifestyle, it
changed
starts with your health.
was
Health comes first.
position,
and the
a
rest
percentage of
comes,
position to
comes after
close
that
when
here.
closing custom. I put 90.
You need a strong body.
And then this is custom
in order to
close,
create a
which is
strong mind.
92.
And
Should I move stop loss to BE when partial TP hit? I put true.
that also means
So I was
for the
thinking about
guys,
using that partial TP line today,
no
but everything happens so
masturbation when you
quick.
wake up. No
Next trade.
fapping when you wake
Oh
up.
wow, look at this 4 hour.
You don't want
pulling
to start
back
your day
here.
off as a loser,
That's about it. That's
completely
really all I've
ruining your day,
changed.
sucking out all your energy. Okay? Stop that shit right now. And you know what? You know who I'm
Oh
talking
no,
to.
I'll be streaming every day. Yeah, I'll be streaming.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave Friday
saying.
morning after the stream.
You know that by experience? Yes.
Yeah. The stream won't get affected at all.
Stop masturbating. Change your life.
The stream is
Change
top
your life around.
priority.
3 minutes to the closure.
See that?
Second time watching your stream, we trade so similar. Oh, nice. Thomas O'Malley. O'Malley Alley Cat. Thomas O'Malley Alley Cat. I like that. Nice name.
Bart
man.
says, stop doing
Hey,
it,
if you guys
Thomas.
aren't subscribed to the channel, if you can
I
subscribe to the
started
channel
laughing
and
so
like
hard
the
I had to
stream,
mute
that would be
myself for a
just
second.
that'd be
I
great.
didn't
If you feel like
expect
you
that
got
one
any
coming,
value
I'm not
today,
gonna
or
lie.
learned anything here today, or made some money today,
Oh
just
man.
sub to the channel and like the stream for us.
Nah,
man.
I ain't
we're
guilty, I'm
excited
not
about
gonna lie
getting
to you.
15,000
I'm not
subs
guilty.
here. So if you can
I
help
stopped
me
doing
out with
it.
that and
I
help the
think,
community
like,
out with that, that'd be
6
great.
months ago.
And then
when
you
I
just
started
show up here every
working out
day and we'll
twice a
help you
day.
out with the rest.
That's when
Yeah.
I stopped.
I know it's a sensitive
Done.
topic, but it's so important, man. Like, imagine starting your day as a loser.
and then look, for some reason, I just love watching the stream. We trade nothing alike. It's just positive.
Yeah,
vibe
yeah, it's
environment.
true,
Thanks,
but
man. Thanks,
yeah,
Mike
funny.
Lang.
2 minutes
Shout out
left.
to Mike.
2 minutes left.
Glad you're enjoying
Let's
the
hopefully
stream, bro.
close below the 1901. Otherwise, again, same scenario where we have that, where we have these wicks, and that's why you wait for that closure. Okay. Not a single spontaneous
Thomas
entry
O'Malley
here.
is the
Why?
coolest cat ever.
If you
Uh,
wick
Are you
7
coming
times
back at
before
1?
that.
No. Nope.
below that level, then don't
How
expect
often do you
this
guys
one to
stream on YouTube?
automatically
I
come
stream
down
every day, Monday through Friday.
and just
So
like
we
magically
start
just come
at
down here. No, just wait for the
6:45 a.m.
confirmation.
Eastern
Because,
Standard Time.
I don't want to get trapped here.
Yeah, Eastern
I saw
Standard.
someone's comment. I listened to this loud in the kitchen while making breakfast with my family around. So
we got
funny.
2 minutes for
I
the
almost spit
4-hour
my drink all over
here.
my
Looks
keyboard.
good on US 30. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, we want to make a decision here. We already broke the daily lows, so I don't see why this candle wouldn't close below here.
1 minute left.
Look at US 30. I already know where we're at. We still have time, right? We got 2 more minutes. Candle's still open. We need to wait for this candle to close here. We also need to wait for the next candle to open up and create a top wick here for us.
Big shout out to everyone that joined today. We're waiting for that closure. This is great. Beautiful. 1 more minute. Dollar is pushing up strong.
Yo, Nick, I'm here. Tori Butler.
Treasuries
what up,
right
Tori?
now.
What up, Tori? Tori? Hello, Tori?
Pushing up
Ruffle
as well
says,
here.
let's make a poll. Let's make
Hello?
a poll.
Is that you?
How we're gonna call it, Ruffle? I'm
Green.
a loser. I am not a loser.
Talk to me, Green.
Amazing. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, what
20
up,
seconds.
So
Tori?
what are we looking at? What are we looking at?
Yeah, that's good, bro.
check
Check
out
out
the
the
right
US
closure.
30 closure.
W for Tori.
Amazing.
Worry in the building.
This is important. So yes, first closure is gonna be potentially below this level here.
All right, so we got this
Dollar's looking
4-hour
strong.
closure here in 10
Treasuries are looking
seconds,
good.
man. We got
is
clean
not good for
traffic
gold.
coming down. Let me just take
Let's
a look
create a
here.
top wick and flip.
Yeah, gang, we're looking good. We're looking good.
It's gonna be a 1-to-1 for sure. It's gonna be a 1-to-1. I can see it already.
Yeah, let's wait for this candle to close. We need a top wick here. So we start getting a top wick. I said we wait. Let's wait like 5 or 15
We close
minutes
below.
here.
Nice level.
And let's see what we get
First
in terms
body
of our
closure.
top wick. And gold. Oh, gold, no bottom wick here. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, we're
I'm
good.
gonna set my limit
Gang, we're
right.
good on
or my
both-
stop
on
order
both
right at
pairs here. So let's
1900
wait.
right now. Actually,
Let's
Yeah.
wait here. Look at this 30-minute, right? 30-minute close below. If we can get a celery play, that
sell.
would just be incredible, man.
Yes, sir.
Oh, whoa. Chill out.
Or 15-minute celery.
First body closure below.
Celery.
Nice wick continuation. Hopefully we flip it, come down.
Close
And
below.
don't take out the wick above here.
We've got clean traffic coming down to fill this wick. That's the daily wick fill right there. Don't
It's the
jump on
hourly
these
closure,
sells
by the way.
just
It's the
yet,
hourly
gang.
closure that we're looking
Just
for.
relax for a
Or that
minute.
we're looking at here.
Just relax.
Got the highs.
Yeah, both of these pairs are probably gonna run here. So let's
Fake
wait.
out,
We're
yeah,
never,
hopefully
we
not,
never
hopefully
enter at
not. We're
9
gonna find
a.m.
out soon here.
Never. We always wait for a 5, 15, or a 30 to close.
Our third trade already.
Tori's my ex's name. US 30.
We have a really bullish closure on gold as well. Gold on dollar
Yeah,
as
look at
well,
this
so that's
daily,
really good.
Daily time frames
Yeah,
got
let's give it
room,
some
man.
time.
Some relative equal highs as well, so that's something we could swipe out on the dollar on the hourly.
Yeah.
Really good.
Dude, every time I see like some crazy clean ranges, I'm always thinking like back of my head like, yo, imagine like some crazy news event just happens like real time right now.
We have our stop loss quite wide here. We're going for that 1-to-1 wick fill. So we have quite a wide stop loss right
200
now
plus
above
pip
the
move.
previous wick of the previous hourly candle.
200 plus. We're
We
coming
gave it a
down.
little
10.
bit of space here for a potential pullback scenario followed by hopefully a continuation. And hopefully we see a flip here. We close
Little
below
200 lot
these
play
wicks
coming up.
after
200
yesterday
lots on this one.
finally. So
Yeah.
that's
Celery
worth a
equals full
that's
margin.
worth a
Something
trade.
slight.
Yeah. Lovely top wick here. Lovely.
Lindo lesson. Today you're aggressive,
Y'all smell
Lorenzo.
it?
Yeah, well, sometimes
Hey,
we
thanks,
just don't
smell
have a
it.
trade,
Sam
and
made
sometimes
sure.
you have 3 trades in a day.
It's a
That's just
preview of
the
pack
reality.
runner.
I'll send that over. Let me see.
Run that
That's
pack,
just the
son.
game.
Run that pack.
Euro took out the Asian
Yeah,
low, by the
man,
way.
this is
Hey.
clean.
Oh, I put it in
Congratulations
the
if you took
Discord
this trade.
too, in the
Okay,
New York
cool,
session.
cool. Yeah, this is
I'll send
clean.
it over to you too, Jones.
Is that the case?
We'll talk more about this.
All right, amazing. Everyone that was in the V3
keep showing
in the live trading today,
showing up. We'll be talking
TP3
more
is
about
hit
that
as
play.
well. Amazing.
Congrats.
Love it.
So yes, hopefully you close your
I've been
USD
milking the
position here. We
market now.
closed it in profit.
Yeah, that's awesome.
It took out the Asian low. That was the target for the Euro USD
Look
here.
at this. This is perfect. This is where I wanted the top wick. Right up into that support level. Lovely.
The Asian low is taken out. Congrats if you held. Amazing. Hopefully we can finish it off strong with gold. Overall, even if we would lose this trade, overall I would be up. I would be still positive today. That's what matters the most. So
Yo, Nick, how much is
all the
elite
conferences were
program
here.
gonna be?
Gold close
So we're
below,
still-
dollar
we're
looking
still
strong.
talking
Strong
about
closure
that.
for the dollar.
I personally
we
want
have
to
to- we
make
have to
it
take
so
it- we have to
there's
take
so
this
much
trade.
value, right? So I don't want to diminish the value because the value is going to be ridiculous. Like we were talking about a certain number. I may go down to a little bit of a lower number, so I'll let you guys know because I want to make
It's a
it
sell. We're in a sell. We're in a little bit
fair
drawdown here
and
for
affordable for
third
those
trade.
that really are hungry for it. But I also want to make sure it's you're investing into the value, right? And
Why not
there's a
trade
lot of
gold
coaches
GBP?
coming in and going to be doing some teaching.
I have traded
so,
gold euro. I
you know,
don't.
I
I've
want to
never
make it
traded gold GBP.
good
before.
for everybody. So we'll keep you posted on that once we release it and once we get a price in stone. When am I opening signals? Signals, we'll probably open those up next week. Yeah, we're going to open the signals room back up next week. And we're probably going to run a promo too. I think we're going to do 2 months
Yeah, just
free
give it
like we
patience
did
here,
last
even in
time.
drawdown. Immediately after the Asian lows were taken out here, look at the difference. Immediately flipping, reversing, coming up here.
You're not that guy.
Why don't you wait for it to break and retest? We
All
waited
right,
for the
lovely,
closure.
Lovely.
We waited for the wick.
Let's see how the
and we
15
flipped,
closes
and
here
then we
on
entered.
both pairs.
So
we
we
got
followed
like
our
9
plan.
minutes here. 9 minutes, chat. Get ready.
The first closure on the 1 hourly below.
Selling US 30? Yeah, possibly. Yep. Yeah, we may have a 15-minute seller play here on the Dow.
How do you make your hair like this?
Yep. Sell
I have
stops
no
will be on
idea,
the
man.
break of the low after that candle closes.
How do you make this transparent McDonald's and TradingView? So you go
What's
here,
the signals payment
you
renew
click
every
on,
month. No, you'll get an
rectangle,
email and then you can manually
it in,
renew it if you
you
like.
go to settings, you click on style, you go to background, opacity
1K
to
like in 9 minutes.
30%.
Can we get there,
And
chat?
no
Oh, we're
border.
almost there. Hey, chat. I don't think we've had 1K likes in like a couple days. What's going on, man? What's going on? Sam, what's up with chat?
Dude, I don't know, bro.
Okay, I'm
Chat.
gonna get a drink real quick.
Yeah.
One
What's
second,
happening?
Thomas.
Look, the like button's
Yes,
right
yes,
there.
yes.
Right in front of you.
Be nice to the people.
Right in front of you.
I'm always nice, you
One
know,
like,
you know.
please, please. Yeah, that's it. So stingy.
As
Okay,
They say
always.
no trade, no like. We had a win.
So how's
We had a
everyone
win.
doing?
Yeah,
Who
but
was
stepped
today
away.
Thousand
from
likes used to be
everyone
late
that's in the
room for this
V3
chat.
who took this Euro
Yo,
trade
1,000
tomorrow with
likes
me?
used to be
What an
done,
amazing
man.
trade we
that was
had.
done by like
Catched about
it
31
was
pips
before 9, right? Yeah, we were
Amazing
getting
work
that
for
done before
London
9, so.
towards New York.
Come on, chat.
What a crazy one.
Light the stream up.
Now it's after 9.
You know you want to. You know you want to. US 30.
Imagine gold picks up back-to-back packs off the 15.
Back to back.
It picks up the pack off
Back
the
to
15
back.
and then flips back. Yeah, that would be crazy.
That would actually be nice, dude. If we can close bullish with no top wick here, and then have the next candle come up,
And then do it again.
break the highs, and then break these lows. Yeah.
Yeah. Or like I was just saying,
9:30,
like, even
it's
if
not-
like this 15 breaks the highs and then
I'm ready.
See?
Oh, 994 likes. Can we get 6 more? You can help a lonely trader out there who's trading all by himself with no live stream to tap into. Just like you were once a lonely trader, and then you have found this stream, got yourself funded, and became financially independent. Another lonely trader out there is just like you, in need of help. And there it is, 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes. Thanks, guys. Look at that. Was a teamwork. Great job, mods. Way to moderate this thing, man. Way to moderate it.
Whoop,
W. Dubs. Update the record. Yeah, let's update the record. Hey, win number 78 on the year. 78. Creeping on 80 wins here.
Creeping.
Oh yeah. $100 wins giveaway.
I gotta redo that thingy now. I'm looking at it. because it's like I drew both those candles without having bottom wicks, but it's like it could still have like usually it's like if it has a little one or none.
Yeah,
the
that's
path
true.
runner.
Absolutely
Like, yeah,
bananas,
the
guys.
body
Absolutely
of-
bananas. We
yeah,
just
a
hit
lot
the
of times
35.
that-
Yeah, like,
we
even
just
if
hit the
it's like
35.
small.
Like
Yeah.
what, 20
Yeah,
minutes ago.
It's a most of
Yeah.
the time. it
Smash
is
that
just
like
a
button here. We're
little-
almost at 1,000
Nope.
likes already.
Yeah, like
2
yeah,
hours
like
in
We
the
see now the
mix.
little one too.
little
If
guy
you want to
right
be
there.
here tomorrow, come at 7 a.m. EST.
Yeah, if you guys look
Today
up
we're
here, you had
already
another pack
our
run.
third
Point that
trade
one
in.
out.
All right, so if you
Price
start from the
drove up,
beginning,
broke the highs, and then came
we have
back
everything
down.
here. Okay.
All right, lovely. 4 hour making a nice top wick here.
Martin, how are you today? I'm doing good, man. How are you? Amazing.
Same thing with the Dow, right? Yeah.
What time was that? Yeah.
Lorenzo drinking chai.
We
yes.
know we have volume coming in here in about 5 minutes. About
Exactly.
20 minutes, you're going to see a lot of volume dumping in.
You get that celery on 15, I think.
Adding value to our lives. Fire man.
No, I do
appreciate
not
you, bro.
live
Hey, I
in
appreciate you
Bali.
coming
For the
by.
question asked,
Appreciate
I
you
live
coming
in
by.
the Netherlands.
Are you in a trade right now? No, we're not in a trade.
Also
right now.
tropical. It's raining the whole week, so yeah.
Would you
amazing.
recommend funding or investing your own money? So I'm gonna give you guys my.
I
my
do miss the
opinion on
Netherlands
that. I
at
think
times. I haven't been
in
there
the
in 2
beginning,
years.
I would say if you don't have like a
do miss
lot
it
of money,
sometimes,
then
you know?
go ahead
The
and get
feeling
yourself like a
of being
small
home.
funded account. Learn on that. But if you got some money to play with, I think you should get some skin in the game with some live capital and lose a bit.
I
We'll
mean,
come
right?
over soon.
I-
Probably
I-
we'll come over
yeah.
soon.
I was thinking about something, right? People who only do funding challenges, they never really lose money, like big money, right? So sometimes as a trader,
Which
you kind
city
of have
in
to
the
go
Netherlands?
through a little bit of,
I was born in
especially as a new
Rotterdam.
trader, right? It's not that bad to lose a couple bucks and get that feeling.
Thomas, I
So
saw you last
what
week in
that'll do is that'll
Eindhoven.
kind of whip
There's
you
no
into
way
shape,
you saw me last
to
week,
basically
Bruce.
pay
There is
attention to your
no
playbook
way.
more
I
often.
can't believe it.
right?
Where
and
did
if
you
you're
see
just
me?
taking, $40 5K
The flip is
challenge
there,
accounts, you
hopefully.
may not take it
Let's
as
see.
serious as
We ever
investing
stop
like
loss, we ever
20
take profit.
grand
Let's see where it goes.
and messing that
Straight.
thing up, being whipped into shape, right? And knowing that,
bet.
hey, if I don't stick to a plan, I'm gonna blow my money.
What do you guys
again,
think
right?
of ICT?
So I don't
is
think
learning the whole ICT framework?
it's
really
a
worth
fine
it,
line, right? I
or
think it's good
not
because
really?
you can buy
What do
these
you think,
challenge accounts
Lorenzo?
and not have to go through that. But I also
Understanding
think at
ICT?
the end of the day, there's nothing wrong.
Yeah,
with
if it's
going
worth
through that and
understanding the
experiencing
whole
that loss in
framework
the
of
markets,
ICT.
because that'll shape you up and
I
mature
think
you
that
up,
the
hopefully,
whole framework.
to
I think that
start
the
to be disciplined
foundation
to a
is good.
plan, and then as you become disciplined
I
to
think
the
that's
plan,
just,
then you'll
um,
start making money. So yeah,
I think that's
I
just a
think
great
both ways are
beginning.
good,
Like the
but I
basic
do like the little
concepts,
bit of a
in
sting,
my
right?
opinion, are
A little bit of a
90% of the
sting,
work.
right? Sometimes you got to get punched in the face to really figure out how to fight.
And I think
so
from there it's
same
about
thing in the
fine tuning here.
markets.
Even if you don't trade SMC, I think you can learn a lot from ICT. I think you can learn a lot from him. There are many things that he's sharing, which are very interesting to think about, even if you not directly apply it to your trading strategy.
Yeah, you got to go through some pain, man. Even like my kids, like I don't let these guys, when they're climbing and
fully
stuff.
agree.
And,
Yeah,
they're
I think
young,
that
so I'll let 'em-
if you
I'll
are
let 'em
capable
kinda
of learning
trial
the
and error a
100%
little bit,
of what
and
he's
they're
trying
not going to
to
get
teach you,
seriously hurt,
Yeah.
but
it is
I'll
worth
let them
it.
fall down, right?
But you need
I'll
to
let 'em
understand that his
taste
way
taste
of
defeat a little
explaining
bit and
his
just
terminology,
encourage them to
his,
get back
yeah.
up and keep
his
going.
way of using his
we can learn a
words
lot
is
from the
really
little
hard to
kids,
understand.
Man. We can learn a lot.
So as far as you can understand it yourself, I would say try to learn it. If that doesn't work,
pain,
there
no
are
gain, yeah.
100 strategies out
No
there
pain,
that
no gain.
can make you profitable over the long term
Mhm.
if you just have enough discipline to learn
Gotta
it.
create your own
That's the
trading
whole
playbook.
point.
You
But,
show up to the
yeah, I
markets
fully
every
agree on what
single
you're
day,
saying,
day in and day
Lorenzo.
out. You look for familiar candlestick patterns.
Protek,
or
how many years did you
price
start
action
trading? I started
patterns.
trading in
You
2000
test them
for the
over
first
course
time.
of
It
a
wasn't
couple months, you
2016,
sample
so around
size them,
7
you
years
figure
ago.
out, hey, 8 out of 10
Um,
times they work out.
I-
6 out
I
of 10 times they work
Pretty
out,
much
right? You figure out that number. If
wasted
that number is
my
good
whole
enough for you to
trading
be profitable,
career for like
you have that
3
sample
years
size
straight.
data, and now you come to the charts
Made every
every
single
day,
mistake.
and you trade those
possible.
patterns, and then that
And
becomes
then
your playbook.
2020, I started to really change. 2020 is where it's really started to work for me. Things started to get better.
All right, look at
and,
this. We got 15-minute
Ever
closure
since.
coming up here. We're gonna have most likely
Best trading strategy
sell
according
stops
to
on the
you?
break of the lows here.
A healthy mind. A healthy
Yeah.
mind and a good night of sleep.
Around 1946.
How do you guys know each other? Thomas joined the community a year ago. And he was there every single session. He came to every single live stream. He attended every single event I gave in Discord. and he took over the game.
Yes, yes, yes. I was here just like
Yeah,
everyone
like this.
else. I was just here like you guys, you know, looking for a way out. Eventually joining the Discord, putting as much time as I had into the Discord, into learning, right? And making so much progress over time. You know, meeting new people, meeting Lorenzo, meeting Gavin, right? It's for me, it's an amazing journey so far, and we're just starting, guys.
What's happening
We're
here?
just starting.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Sheesh. Yeah, I want to see a little
What
bit of
is
top
happening
right
flipping.
there? News
It's
came
flipping.
out. Now we're here waiting for the news here.
there. Oh. Yeah, whoever got in got some slippage. I know that.
Interesting breakdown here. Okay,
Reds are a little hot.
let's
too.
see how we close
Guess
this
we may
next
wanna wait for,
30-minute
30
candle.
minutes.
When the New York
Nah,
Stock Exchange opens up
yeah,
here.
30.
Yeah.
And hopefully we
Yeah,
don't
a
get
lot of
that
slippage there.
before.
Damn, that was.
There
Let's
goes
see.
our top wick down, so perfect.
Good mindset means good trading. Yes, I
Well,
think that
stops will
the
probably
strategy
be-
itself
we're gonna
is
wait for the 30.
irrelevant.
Yeah,
You
if
can
we get
have
30
everything.
close,
I could deliver
that'll
you
be
everything
nice.
on a golden platter right now. But if your mindset is not there, and if you're impulsive, and you
Yeah,
don't
what
like
was
to,
that?
really deeply
That I
analyze
think there was a
study,
little bit of news
fast,
that came out, right?
get the
Is
experience
there
needed,
orange folder?
then it's just gonna be a headache here. Just gonna be a headache. So strategy is secondary
Yeah,
to your
9:15.
mindset.
Yeah, yep.
Orange
So-
folder.
Yeah, so 8:30 should be the
Heard.
play here. Hey, we got over 2,000. What up?
Yeah, I'm
all
actually not a big
2,000
fan
you
of how
guys
we
here
came
today?
down and immediately came up here.
Welcome to the
honest.
stream.
That y'all put in the work today. What's
Yeah.
up?
Yep, 30 minutes gonna be the play here.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at US 30 here. Yeah, see nothing on the Dow yet either. That's why I'd much rather wait for 9:30. We already got a beautiful trade here today. We're gonna wait here for 9:30. That's gonna give us the best confirmation, and that'll bring the volume in too. All right, we got that little pack runner again there. So just wait on it.
Our stop loss is at 1904.25. Our first hourly
Come on,
closure below.
guys, like. Hey,
The
yeah,
wick.
if you haven't liked the stream and sub to the
Led me into
channel,
the
go
direction
do
of
those
potential
two
going for
things
the wick
right
from
now
below.
while we wait for
More downside potential.
9:30 here.
Dollar was strong. Treasuries came up. However,
Are you still gonna continue the New York session stream when you start London? Yeah, John's gonna be running the London session mainly. So I'll be on there here and there, but John will be running it for the most part.
There will be
Can
running
you
it up.
please explain the funded program written in description?
2,000 watching.
Yes.
We are getting growth.
That's a good point
community,
here.
Nick, thanks, brother.
Yeah, so
Oh,
Funded
yeah.
Next has a
Thanks, Star.
30% off here on packages of 6K, 15K.
I know they get
25K.
What are we looking at for gold right now?
because
we're
we're
gonna wait on
limitless.
9:30 here.
All right.
So yeah, we
we're
got
special, you
9:30
get
coming in,
35%
NYSE
off.
open. I think we're gonna
So
mess
if you want to start
around,
out, you want to test a
dilly-dally, whatever you
new
want to call
prop
it
firm,
here for
you want to have no time
the next
limit,
couple
you
minutes,
want to have
and
a
then we'll
one-step
see once 9:30
potential
comes
fee and a
where that
balance-based
where this
drawdown, not
candle
equity-based.
closes, and then we'll look to
then you
take
can give it a
positions
try
If it
here.
can close below,
Follow the trades.
that means
If
we
you're
got
already in
another
our V3
15-minute
and follow
pack
the
runner.
signals, you can do
right?
that.
So
or
we
you can just
broken
trade
the
by
high. If we
yourself,
can close below
whatever
now,
you want.
that'd be great.
And use code Limitless35. Limitless35 for your coupon code and your discount. This is for another week. So
Oh, my little man's up. I hear him. He's screaming like Tarzan.
links in the chat.
Yeah, stop
Gold
as
now,
of right
buy,
now.
not
So
sell.
let me set this up for you guys.
Yeah,
so
but we're
as
gonna
of
sell already right now.
stops, it'll be.
We close below
So
it.
we're waiting for
Yeah,
the
all our
30-minute candle to
conferences were there,
close,
so
right? Everyone knows that. We got 11 minutes. It says it right here. Our stops are going to be about 1903.082, right above this high here. And our TP is going to be down here at this wick fill, right? Which is about 40 pip move, 30 to 40 pip move we could expect to see.
How much do you get?
So that's going to be the
85%.
TP is going to be down there. Stops are going to be above wherever this candle high is. And then depending on how this candle closes, right, back in the range, we want to see this candle close below. And then we may have to wait for entries on the break of this low
Gold is
here,
not following the
which
dollar
is
at the
not
moment. Now
bad
we look at the
anyway. It's about a
treasuries
30
here. The
pip
treasuries
range
are also
coming
going
down.
up here. So that's what makes it
let's
so
see how
interesting.
this candle closes
The treasury is
up,
going
and
up.
then we'll look
The
to
dollar is holding up.
see if we're coming down
Yeah,
or
the
if
gold
we're
is
gonna
still
close back
pushing.
in the range here.
So yeah, let's see how we close here. Our stop loss is above
Do
the
you have open
previous high,
trade right now? No. Nope.
and that's all we can do.
No open trades right now. No open trades.
It's our third trade already.
I was
We're
asking
okay
about
down
London.
to take
London's
out
gonna
the
start
AZO.
mid-October.
So I'm happy for the guys that stayed in.
This time session we'll be trading
re-entered.
will be from about 1:30 a.m. Eastern to 4:30 a.m. Eastern. Those asking in the chat, I see y'all.
Yeah, that'll be a good session too.
Also, there will be only to pass
You'll
one
have a
step
lot of
instead of
Yeah, yeah,
in
we're
gonna-
two-step challenge. Yeah, so you have one
sure,
step
I'm
or
gonna
two
run it
step.
up.
It depends what you prefer.
And
The
it's
different
gonna be a
rules, so
lot.
read and go through it.
Where does this daily candle want to go? That's the question, right? Where will the daily go? And this low here, so this low that price just made on the 15, that's the daily low. So I think those.
We have
that's
the
gonna be
meetings
our
coming
best
out tonight.
entry,
So
right? 'Cause
or
if we
later
don't
this
break
afternoon.
that daily
For me,
low,
it's
then we could just
super late at night.
continue
2 a.m.
pushing up or even consolidating.
We're gonna find out
right?
about
so we really need to
potential
see that low break.
new information
And
in
then I
regards to
think
the
if we break
monetary
the daily
policy,
low,
future interest
come
rate
down,
decisions.
fill this wick,
You
potentially
name it.
fill this wick to the left.
It's all gonna
yeah.
be there.
This wick over here will probably be our full target right here, and then this is where we'll close partials right at that wick fill.
Treen Niguin,
Sells
welcome
below.
and thank you for the sub. Welcome to the fam, bro. Hope you're doing well, and hopefully we can grow together. Oh man, people are absolutely crushing it. So
You waited
proud.
for the
I
15,
never personally expected
but
this
suddenly you
before.
changed to the 30.
And not
May I
this
know the reason?
commitment. I
Yeah,
expected some
the
people doing,
15-minute candle
to post
closed
on a day-to-day basis what
bullish.
we're doing here.
We're
For
gonna
people that don't know, we
potentially
have a
sell stops in the
33-day
break of the
challenge
lows, but
where
I
you
wanted to wait for a top
know,
wick, right?
set
This
your
candle
goals.
opened up,
You
drove
follow a
down
good
right
diet.
away.
You one workout a
So we
day.
couldn't do
you do
anything
some
there.
personal
Now
development.
price is creating that top wick.
You know, you train,
So
develop your
just,
skills,
you know,
whatever it is
So
that
we'll
you're
hold
looking
off,
for.
wait for the 30.
And
Wait
man,
for the
it's
30, because as long as this,
just incredible
this high right here
seeing
respects
how
the
many of you
previous high up
guys
there,
are
then at
taking
any
action
point this candle can reflip
and are doing this
and
on a
push
day-to-day
down.
basis.
right? And that's
I am
that's
extremely
the
proud,
higher
and this
time
just
frame
proves
direction,
what kind of
4
community we
hour,
have created,
daily,
how
1 hour,
congruent
right?
we are
30
together,
minute,
and
15
how we
minutes
share
still
our
close
passion for
below as
trading
well. So
while also
everything
working
is
on
pointing
ourselves.
down for right now.
I
Things could
really
change
do
momentarily at
really
this
do
30
appreciate
minute
it.
closure, but as of right now,
And
everything looks pretty good.
I'm
to
very proud of you
continue
guys.
down. Just wait on it.
It's amazing. It really is.
Opinion on dollar,
Oh my
yep.
God. Can't believe we're
We'll,
talking
we'll
about
look at it here.
1800s again here, boys.
In a second, dollar's pushing up again. Treasuries are coming up
I
again.
know.
Yes, there.
Wow.
What is gold doing here?
I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like we've been in
We haven't seen this
1900s
since that
a long
often.
time.
Yeah, we have.
Treasury strong, dollar strong. Gold close below.
Compared to like how fast we came
About
up.
to get.
But hey, that's trading.
Mhm.
Look at the treasuries, Thomas. Look at the dollar.
I'm looking.
Yeah, let's see if
Now
that
look at the
happens to you.
volatility
Yeah, I see it.
index.
Yeah, it's quite interesting what's going on right now. Just in general, it's quite interesting. The price action is showing some rare momentum at the moment. We are tapping again into an order block now
Stops are getting pretty
on,
tight.
on gold, so
May
we
have to
might
wait
see a
for
push to the
945
downside again.
15, right?
But
If we can
indeed,
get a-
like
if
dollar
we
is
can
going
get
for the
something like
highs.
this where
Gold is
price
not
comes
following
up,
along.
you know, comes
It's
up to this
quite
high,
interesting.
rejects
It's
it.
interesting, yeah. We don't see that
closes a
that
little
often.
bit
Where the
above
dollar is
still.
okay. The dollar
So what we
okay.
could do then is we
right?
could
The
just
dollar
wait for it
index
to fake
sometimes
out,
has a
right? So we could wait
decoupling of
for the
gold,
next candle to close
but
back below
the,
the range. And then
government
we can take our
bond 10-year
positions at the
yield
break of the low, which is
usually
also
is
the
very
flip
accurate.
of the 4-hour candle.
very
and
accurate.
then right around this, you know, 1897 mark, we'll go break even, and then see if we can fill that next wick down there. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm not taking buys. I'm not taking buys until 1907 here.
GU is
probably
looking
even-
good. Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, like 1908. Yeah, I don't really care for these buys here.
1904 to 23.
In 15-minute seller play scenarios, you wait for liquidity wick because
Thomas,
in
do you know the
30-minute
train
seller
called
usually
Thomas?
You're not waiting. Yes, because
yeah, I know the train is
because
called
the
Thomas,
next
yes.
30 minute, well, the 9:30 is gonna bring
Thank
in a
you,
lot of volume.
Bruce.
So sometimes we don't.
I already
necessarily
knew
need
it
to
was
wait
Bruce before I had
for
to
a
look.
top wick on that.
Yes, I know the
candle, but
train
if we
that's
are
called
taking it
Thomas.
at,
Yes.
let's say a
In the
9:15
community,
like we're
we
thinking
all
about, then
know
we
about the
definitely
train
need a
that's
top
called
wick.
Thomas.
100 likes until 1k likes again. Yeah, we're gonna do giveaway today again. Like yesterday, like Monday. Let's do giveaway again
That's
today.
before 9:30.
Yeah, we're almost at 1,000 likes already. This is absolutely crazy. Already after 2.5 hours. So, well done. We will do a giveaway soon.
Thomas the Tank Engine. Yes. Thomas the Tank Engine. Drop some choo-choos in the chat. Like Gavin does. You know.
Why don't we trade with patterns? We trade with our playbook.
Interesting
Those are
behavior.
patterns.
Interesting behavior from the dollar, from gold here.
It's the pack runner pattern.
Yeah.
We're back on track.
New to the channel like a week ago and enjoying too much great content in the community. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
All right.
Where
let's
winners
see.
are also losers, as you guys can see here. If you lose this one, we are at 7 wins, 2 losses, and 2 break even.
These guys back up here. 1990 could be hard to break. Yeah, it could be.
Hopefully, we have
Definitely.
the universe on our side.
Yeah, we need a top wick on US 30,
Well, let's see.
right? 15-minute had no top wick. We're just still waiting. If we can, maybe we may get a pack runner here on US 30. That'd be cool. Right, next candle needs to
I
come
wanted
up.
to look over GU. Yeah, we can do that real
Get
quick
this thing
indeed.
high. And then we
Dollar
need
is
to,
on our
we
side. We have only looked at EU.
yeah, we need a top wick on
If that's
US
the
30.
case, then
right?
dollar flips here.
15-minute had no top
Something
wick.
like that. That's
Just
not looking
still
strong.
waiting. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. If we can, maybe we may get a pack runner here on US 30. That'd be cool. Right, next
Okay,
candle.
Mark.
Yeah, if
I
this
want to
candle
go
gets
over
close,
GU.
so I like
Yeah, we can do that real
get
quick
low
indeed.
that range,
Broken
right?
internal
So
lows,
if this
5
candle can
minutes,
close
dollar
up,
is
then
on our
this
side. We have
candle
only
can
looked at
give it a
3.
bottom
Now,
wick, because we already broke the lows here, right? So
Broke the
price
lows
is
here.
ready to go down. Now it's just about timing it right.
for
So
continuation.
if we
Okay,
can
we look
time
at it in a
this thing
second
right,
here, but it is
with what I believe a pack runner is a good confluence there, then we could enter, off
It's
of
interesting
this
indeed.
flip or the break of the current low or something like that, and then continue down here on the Dow here. So we'll see what happens. That'll also be like a 30-minute celery play.
There is a 1 hour supply of gold, 1905.75.
Let's take a
Yeah,
look
if
at
that's the case, we
gold.
might look for a
Gold's
re-entry
pushing up
later.
now,
Well, let's see.
US 30.
We have a live later at FOMC, so there is not an event. There is no speech or something like that. It's just a report that's coming out. So when there is a speech, most of the time we do a live stream in the middle of the night.
Yeah,
What's
gold
going to happen to the
pumping up.
FOMC news?
Gold may have a
please,
pack
I'm new
runner
to your
the
channel.
downside.
We're gonna find a report. We're gonna find out if they're gonna potentially increase the interest rates here. A little bit more information about what they want now, and this could have an impact on the dollar. A significant impact on the dollar if it's something extraordinary, something that we don't expect.
All right, we got 1 minute here for a closure.
There is
So
another
let's see
tool.
what
I'll
happens
show you
here
guys
on
that in a
US
second
30
here
and then also
that you can use.
on gold. Where's Maverick? Maverick's in the other room. He's
What's going to happen to the FOMC
He's like,
news
"I'm up,
tonight?
I'm up."
Please, I'm new to your channel. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. I do not expect too much. The inflation is overall looking okay. But they still want to get it down to 2%, so they might increase it. Who knows? Who knows? Crazy that we're not stopped out yet here. 15 seconds left.
All right, lovely, lovely. So
That's
we never
one.
made a top
Closure.
wick. Perfect. All right, cool, 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 cool. Look at that. So we got a top wick there for the
Crazy.
previous candle.
Jolene says, my son loves
I
Thomas
still
the
think
Train.
entries on the break of the low are
yes.
probably best right now.
My son loves it too right now.
For
Yeah, who doesn't? Right?
yeah, I mean we're seeing something very similar to
I
what we've
watched,
seen,
I
but
love.
I watched Thomas when I
Yeah,
was
that's a little bit steeper than I
little
wanted.
boy.
So let's see. I
Thomas the
think
Train, the
it's
old
best to wait
version.
for a resistance to form here.
It was absolutely
But I
amazing.
really
Yeah.
like how this 5 has no top wick there. But we gotta wait on this. And then gold
Even
may
I
push
watched
up
it,
now.
guys.
We are in this
Yeah.
rejection
Right.
area. I'm not gonna take
So-
any buys here.
And my name is Thomas.
We're,
so, yeah.
if you notice, we're still closing below this level here. So I'm not going to touch buys here at all. We got 3 rejections, so yeah. Not going to touch that. I'm just going to wait for another candle here. So if this 15-minute candle can close bearish, very similar to our trade
This
like
is
day or two
a
ago,
bandage
right? Where
moment.
This 15 closes
You know,
bearish.
You fall,
Then what we can
you
do
slip,
is we can take ourselves
you
from
bruise
here,
your arm or whatever.
coming
You have a
down
little wound
for
there.
the second half of
then
9:30.
your
We'll keep
mother,
our stops
she
above
put
these
a,
highs here.
Plaster
Yeah,
on
entry
your,
would be like
your
here
arm.
or like right around here.
And then you have to take it off at some point, right?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is one of
sir.
these situations. Just take it off.
Just wait on it. Yeah. Oh wow! Look at this. Look at that. Oh.
Our confluence is aligned here. So this is just part of the game. The dollar went up eventually.
Gold is still
the
looking pretty good
treasuries
though.
came up
Yeah, if
strong.
we can get a fake out here on the
We
15,
closed
that's
below.
gonna be our call right there. Yeah, a lot of resistance
We
in
flipped.
this
We had a
area.
candle wick. No, it's all part of the game.
So yeah, we just need to wait. If we get that resistance, we'll look to take positions coming back down.
So please, what are we gonna do now? Which trades are we
Stocks,
taking?
cap, all good?
So we
Yeah.
already took 3 trades today and 1 in the afternoon.
Just put entry
And the
on
euro
sell.
was a win.
It can all be
the
that
first trade, the euro Australian dollar was a win. We had a break-even trade on gold, and now we're probably gonna have a loss on gold.
If it could only be that easy, right, gang? Just hit sell.
So let's see if we find one
Your
more
entry?
setup.
Okay.
But yeah, let's see. Removing stop loss is risky. Yeah, no, never. I'm not removing my stop loss. No, that's the game we
Oh,
play.
look at this.
You have
Lovely.
a 70-30%
Lovely,
advantage. We have a win rate of around 75%. At least that's what we're aiming for.
Very nice. Looks good.
So there is no need to move your stop loss around here and to completely ruin your win rate and your overall
My Forex
ratio.
fund have
Your
one
win
phase?
to lose
No, they
ratio
have
in general.
Two phases.
Maynard, are you okay? Yeah. We're still up today.
2 phases. All right, this is good.
Where can I learn your strategy on your YouTube channel?
GJ, yeah. What's
So there is one tool that I use. This is what the Signal channel is built on that,
yeah, you
that
gotta
we
wait
have
for
in our Discord
candle
right
to
now.
close above here.
It's on the Vine
I
profile
think that'll be good. Is this, yeah, it's the
We
same
call it the
range we've been in,
POC,
or- yeah,
channel.
yeah, we're just trading in the same range here.
And there is a video.
Not
it's
much
called
happening. You gotta
the best
you get a
indicator you
closure
can
outside
use
the
for
range,
Forex
then, yeah,
and
you got
gold.
a position, but until then,
That's
you got
my
nothing.
favorite strategy to use by far.
Nothing.
It's built upon order flow,
Gold though, I would
volume,
love to take sells.
and it
from up here
measures the
on gold.
data. I have a video, and it shows you 8 trading examples.
Someone said, "Why does Thomas look sad?" Yeah, everything is alright.
Brother.
I was just focused. When I'm focused, I just, I'm
Alright,
I'm
looking
looking at the
lovely.
charts, I guess. with focused eyes. I'm not
just
sad.
destroyed
I'm always
all
happy.
sellers.
What's
Yeah,
up?
that's why we didn't want to
I'm
sell
good.
US30
Thank
in
you
the
for
first
asking.
couple minutes of the candle, right?
Lorenzo, can you add the news to the
That's
trading
why.
terminal? The little flags will display below.
You're not that
Alright,
guy.
hey.
You're not that guy, man.
Yeah, we can do that. We can do it for the future here.
There's no
This is
strategy.
indeed
I have
where
no
we the,
strategy.
everybody's
There's
seeing
zero
first, so
strategy.
Let's see how that goes.
You're just not.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not
You're
that
not
guy.
that guy.
Yesterday there was some action. That's the most important part. There was some price action happening here. Yesterday
grab a
was
30
like
for us.
nothing.
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing. Besides the crazy news move.
Yeah, this is
Same for
looking
Monday,
clean,
so I'm
though.
happy that we had some price action today. Are you still holding? Yeah. We're still holding.
Right back to where we started. Right, this is where our entries were the last time. So if we can get this 15 to close, then we'll look to take positions again right here. And that guy. My Forex funds froze up. Nope, I'm good.
So
No
after the
movement.
Asian low was taken out, we started pushing.
Oh, it's chilling.
That was kind of expected here.
The stream makes my mornings
Um,
all the time.
for the
Hey,
dollar.
happy we can make your morning.
Yeah,
Glad
we're
you're
starting to
enjoying
slow
the
down a
stream.
little bit here. So very interesting that we're now not getting to our position while the euro's
Gold
going
just
up,
stopped moving.
GU
yeah,
is
that's all.
going up, gold is stagnating right now below our stop loss right here. What do you think of the Nasdaq?
I think price is just not moving.
Yeah, let's look
gang,
at it.
That's all it is.
That's actually a good idea. Let's see what we have here.
It's frozen. Oh, yo, I think you guys are right. I think y'all are right. What is going on there? Let's take a look
Okay,
at
we
the
opened
funded
up,
trader.
we tapped into that zone, we credit. Okay, we're at the lows.
These boys better tighten up.
We are at
Bro.
the lows right now at the moment. Not looking strong at all. Not looking strong
Funded
at all.
trader looks good.
Coming back down. Very key
yo,
level though.
gold.
Uh,
Gold.
to look at right now. I think the S&P is looking better. We'll check it out in a second here. What's happening?
Made another mistake today. Unnecessary loss. We learn and move on. That's all, Mike. That's all we could do. Yours is not
Wow,
moving.
we're freezing.
Yeah, facts. Oh, there it goes. It must have been stuck.
Refresh it.
What's up with you, B? Oh, we're breaking through these wicks here now.
The stream is loading.
Wow. 4-hour fake out.
Mm.
Yeah, maybe.
We'll see.
Maybe. As long as we respect that high, though, this is still good money to continue
Let me see
down.
if it goes.
4 hour. Oh, coming from the 4-hour highs.
Are we back? Are we back?
Yeah, what happened
Yeah, I
to
think
US
we're good.
30,
I
man?
think
I
we're
don't
good.
know what went.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're
Gold
good.
and US 30 both pumping here. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq too. Selling off, or it did sell off. Yeah, not much happening.
Okay.
Well, let's see. If we respect the 4-hour highs here, we'll continue down. We should be good to continue
Chart
selling off.
crashed. Yeah, something is
grabbing
happening
some
with the
liquidity here
chart
at
here. I don't know what's going on
NYSE
here.
Open.
But we're looking at it in a second here. 1904.23.
Yeah, give me 1 sec. I'll be BRB. BRB. Who knows about that? Or are you too young?
BRB.
Oh, you know about that too?
Of
Alright,
course,
BRB.
What am I, dumbass?
G2G. Shout out to all the 90s kids, bro, who made up all this stuff, man. G2G, BRB.
Yeah, but
What else do we used to
everyone
say?
knows those type of things, bro.
That's because we,
Yeah, something
that's 'cause
happened
we,
there
ground, we put
in
y'all
the
on, that's why.
markets, I guess.
Right?
That was crazy.
Ah, but we still
Something's
know.
going on.
G2G.
Trade of you,
Got
you
to
have
go.
the same problem?
Ah, we don't know it.
Yeah, I had the
Do
same
you know
problem
about
as
away
well.
messages?
Okay.
There was like a second
Away
for
messages?
froze, and then
Come on,
everything
man.
shut
Hey,
up.
Chat, put
Yeah.
put this youngin
and
on
then
with
it was back.
an AOL
It's
aim
I don't
away
know what
message
happened.
real quick.
Is
Let
there-
them know
is there
it's good.
No, there's not news.
No,
I'll
I
be
can
right
figure it
back,
out.
Right?
No news.
Let me check.
Intelligent mind.
Google it. Google it.
Let me check.
MetaTrader crashed for a few seconds. Trading view
I
is
know,
having
right?
big issues right now.
ASAP.
That's strange.
That
MetaTrader
was
4
good. How you
stock.
guys doing?
Who has the same? Who has the same thing here? First time in your life and
Chat
hit stop
moving.
loss. Who sells at support? We sold below support.
Is there going to be 2 streams today? No, there
You
will
probably
not.
didn't.
The FOMC you're thinking about
You probably
is
came a
not the
little bit later, so you
FOMC
missed our first trade as well.
that we're thinking about.
And you missed our second trade as well. You just
Hey, what's
got
good,
our
Chad?
third trade here. Part of the game, my man.
Honey boy, young blow, what's
More
good,
information
rapper?
find in our spreadsheet. Please have a look at it. We're at 2 wins today, 1 loss, and
Yeah.
1 break even.
US 30 went crazy. Yup. That did.
And by
Red
the way,
FX
Viv, if
also
you
was
think
good.
that it was not a good trade, why do you take it? Don't take my trade.
Don't need those gems
Don't follow me
today.
blindly.
Hey, chat. Focus on being persistent. Focus on having persistence in your life, right? Without that,
Yeah, let's see how we
Can't
go
get
here
anywhere.
with TradingView right now. There are some issues
hey,
right
yo,
now.
Nick did. Yup, Nick went to go pick up that pack.
Same for MetaTrader.
Like
I
Sam
heard.
said.
Does anyone else have any issues?
John, bro, how many months have you been learning? Nick showed me Swaggy Sports in late 2020. And then I'd say 2021
Okay,
was when
perfect.
I started learning about Raja and I started learning about price action and what we do now pretty much. So 2021. So I'd say for about like 2 years or so.
Beautiful. All right. What do you look at, Thomas? So far,
I was
euro came
looking
up,
at-
dollar is flipping right
Yeah.
now.
How many days does
So
it
it's
take to
important to
create
look
a
at
playbook?
to restructure.
It's gonna take
Okay.
more than days, brother.
We have close
It's
below
gonna
this
take
low.
months on months on months of
So
sample
what do you
size
wanna
and
see? You wanna
data
see lower high getting
of
created.
what you see, right? Gathering experience of what you see price action doing in the charts, right? It's gonna take. It's
Yeah,
gonna
we
take
see
some
them
time.
equal highs are almost like looks
It's
like they
gonna
were
take seeing
perched
things over
on
and
the
over
XY,
again in the charts.
and now we see that continuation to the downside. But it was out of nowhere a really big candle.
What percentage do you average
so
per
I'm
month? About
looking
5
into
to
what's
10%.
happening, and I want to see some more healthy
some
price
are
action,
higher, some are lower. All depends on the month.
so we can confirm what is going on.
But an average is 5 to 10%.
Yeah, let's see what's going on here. Also, my MetaTrader is not working either. I don't know what's going on here.
Yeah.
Let me give me 2 minutes, guys. Let me
Yeah,
see
red
if I can
effects,
fix
but
this.
persistence, right? Need that. Hey, much love to you, George. It's hard to create a playbook when you have a job as well. I feel you, bro, but don't have excuses, right? Don't let your limitations be self-imposed, right? There's always a way. There's always a way out. So everyone can make excuses, right? Just find that way out. There's always a way.
Find a way to win.
Very, very interesting.
Yeah.
It's hot in that room.
And the reason I say persistent, right, is because things get tough, right? Life gets tough. Everyone wants to be great in life, but life gets tough, and
Seeing if I
you need to have
25
persistence, right? You need to remember why you're doing that. Remember your why, and keep going, right? Don't
me
feed
now it's
into trial and
working,
error, right?
I
Know
guess.
that every
I
trial and
believe
error
so.
brings you closer, actually, to
Let me
your
check.
success, right? Each
Okay,
failure
whatever.
brings in
I think we can just
equivalent
move forward with the analysis
success.
regardless.
So keep that in
Yeah.
mind.
Take something, it's okay. Let's see if it will be fixed shortly here.
One more message and you'll be gone. Yo, Shiro's a savage, bro.
Dollar, yen,
Hey,
or
don't mess with
nothing.
these mods,
Thomas,
man.
stop
Don't
hacking.
mess with the mods.
Do we still have equals on the dollar? At
What?
this particular moment, we have created a low. Waiting for the pullback, followed by another rejection. Look for potential
US 30
continuation
going
here.
crazy.
Condolences are your last man, was unfortunate. This is part of the game, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. We won more than we lost today.
Create your own playbook, or
So a loss is just
piggyback
part
on
of it.
someone else's.
What tends to
You
happen
can
in
do
the
both.
chat is that people are
Yeah, do
focusing
both.
more on
That's
the
what I
losses
did.
than
I
on
kinda
the wins.
looked at other
The wins are
traders,
very,
seen what they were doing,
for
what
example, we
worked
just
for
had a win
them,
before.
tested
Couple
it out
minutes
for
before.
me,
The wins
found
are
the
very
things that
quick,
worked for me and used
and
them,
the
and
losses
whatever
are
didn't, I just kind of threw
are
out.
hurting,
You know, so you'll
are painful.
kind of base your playbook off of someone else, and then you'll start
So you just need to
you know,
put it to the
through your own
side,
experience,
continue the
kind of tweak
process,
it and adjust
and
it,
repeat.
you know, make it the way that fits
That's
you
it.
best.
Dollar index breaking low.
You got a
Looking
TikTok?
for a
TikTok?
pullback here.
No, sir. Nah, I don't have a TikTok. Should I get a TikTok, chat? Should I get a TikTok?
Definitely not.
Keep thinking positive. It becomes a habit. If you're gonna think,
So
going
you're all
to
definitely looking
succeed.
looking
Yeah,
good now
exactly.
after
Yeah,
this
your
low
thoughts are
taken out
literally
and then
seeds,
reversing,
man.
reverting
There's
to the
seeds that you're
upside.
planting in your own mind, right? So make sure you're planting the right seeds. Right? What you plant will grow. You can't plant apple seeds and expect cherries to come up, right? You can't think negative and expect to be
Damn, that's
positive.
absolutely nuts,
It just
guys. Wow.
doesn't.
Yep.
It's like water and oil.
What is going on?
Yep.
Crazy
The mind,
momentum
like the
lately.
land,
Crazy
right? It doesn't
momentum,
care what
almost
you plant
1,000
in it.
likes.
It
Let's
will
do a
return what
giveaway.
you plant in it. Doesn't care.
Let's do a
So
giveaway.
make sure you're planting those good
Very
seeds.
shortly.
It's gonna return in your life.
Definitely something to celebrate.
That's why it's
here.
important we keep
Reaching the
positive thoughts
35,000 this
and
stream.
while we're trading during the session,
1,000
right?
likes,
So we have a
12,000 members
positive
in the
outcome.
community. Crushing it. Very proud of you guys here. Let's do our giveaway soon. Let's give away $100. You guys can decide. One time 100
John,
or
how
two
old are
times
you?
50.
18.
18. Yeah, I'll listen to Gary V on the TikTok
Two
stuff. a little
times
bit more.
50 or one time 100, guys.
Yeah, I'll start posting more. I'll start
Press
posting.
a 2 or press a 1 in the chat. 2 or 1 in the chat. 1 time 100, 2 times 50. 2 or
Okay,
1 in the
Logan
chat.
Paul.
Only 1s and 2s, guys.
Who needs TikTok? Yeah, nah, TikTok.
So
will
what
get
we're looking
you-
for right
that will
now,
get our
we're
views
looking
out
for
to
the
a
dollar
lot of people.
to push further.
A lot of people. I love Gary V. He's like,
And we're
are you
looking for
on
EU
TikTok?
to start breaking
Are you on
some of
TikTok?
these highs.
You need to be posting
right now we have taken
content.
out the Asian low, we're pushing up. Usually that's very bullish signal that could definitely lead into continuation here. The
John,
hourly
you going back
candle
to
right
school
now
later
is
this
going to
year?
close
Definitely
in 12
not.
minutes. We're going to close above. After taking out the Asian low, we're going to close
I-
above here.
I just
and
finished
potentially
high
look
school.
for that,
I
for
love
that
John's been
continuation.
trading. This dude's 18. John's been trading since you were what? What age?
All right, let's
16.
do a 50-50
Well, I was
here.
15 when
Let's
I got
do 2
introduced,
times.
but I started taking it serious at 16.
Yes, sir.
Let's open Nipod right here. Shout out to Nipod.
John's the only school John's going to is the school of life.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you thought while I was in school, I was listening to what they were saying. I
John
don't
was
know, I was
trading
listening.
in school.
Yeah. Exactly.
If you guys go back to some of our earlier streams, like before, when did you graduate? June?
June, yeah.
Yeah, if you go back to some of our earlier streams, you'll see
Yeah,
John.
let's do
in
it. Let's do it.
class.
Come on, giveaway
On
right here.
Zoom.
Boom.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, little W in the chat. Make sure you only do it once. Then it should be good here. Let's add the
No, brother,
moderators
not in
as
school
well.
anymore.
Everyone. We gave away $100
Oh,
yesterday, the day
Lord.
before. We're trying to do this as much as possible
Oh,
whenever we
late. Look
can.
at this thing.
All the YouTube money
15-minute rocket ship. Huh?
going to
Yeah.
to giveaways.
Look at this pump. John should become an engineer.
You should become an engineer.
Beautiful. Stacking up
Will you
here. Let's
help
do it
us
in like a
tell me
couple
when
of
to
minutes.
buy and sell? Yeah, we'll help you out.
And then we'll have this done as well.
Hey, yo, David. Come on. Sam.
There we go. Okay, let's do it in a couple minutes here. Beautiful.
Yeah, so there you go. So now you know you don't have to be a
All
certain
right, all right, all
age
right.
or
Hey Lorenzo, I would love to
X
go over
this or
the
this or
trade we took
that,
today
right?
in
You just
V3.
gotta get it. Once you get
If
it,
you would
once
love
you
to
got
go
the
to the
playbook, you
V3
can run with it
membership
from
for
that
me,
point forward.
Show me.
That's
Doesn't matter
possible.
if you're 18 or
Yeah.
81.
or you want to look at my screen, that could be an option
Once
as
you
well.
understand that
look
you
at
have
your screen, I
authority
think
over
it's
your
better.
mind, that's when you'll start to
All
get
right, that's
players more.
amazing. So today, to start off,
You gotta
today we have
understand that.
someone that actually passed his challenge of this trade.
Conquer yourself,
So
right?
a
Don't be
massive
conquered
respect to
by
him.
self.
Really grateful that you
Yo,
passed
they
your
need to read
challenge.
chat. You need to read out with the
And
devil.
let's keep doing this over and over and over again.
If
Can
it
you
drives,
see my
Oh,
screen,
yeah,
by
it's
any chance?
beautiful. We look at you.
Shiro's age.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Let me see.
show us what you got, man.
All right, all right, all right. So what we saw today, right? We were
birthday
we were
is it today?
anticipating for price to go down during London. So let me actually take out the session rates right here.
Got
So
me
we were
sells at
anticipating for
820.
price to go down
Yeah, same
during
here.
London. That didn't happen. We went pull up
Same
a little
here.
bit more
Don
to the
Juan,
upside.
Don
We saw
Juan.
that we deviated from the central
Don
bank
Juan.
dealers range. That's for people that don't understand. That's ICT, right? It's ICT trading. We went up, deviated to the upside. Then we had that. We tapped into a fair value gap and an order block,
Yes.
Shiro.
selling our price
Shiro
off,
don't reveal age.
hitting
Yeah, there you
5
go.
o'clock, starting a new 4-hour candle. So my interpretation was that we had a 4-hour
Market's waiting for you
distribution
to
to the
buy.
downside. And as we can
Yeah,
see,
he does 30
we
pumped
hit a
up here.
4-hour
You
distribution
get a
down,
30-minute
and we
closure
reversed
back below your
afterwards.
1 hour closure.
For the ones that were
can see
here
it's
in
pretty
this
nice.
session,
Come up, go
you
for
all
it.
saw me call it live that we had a 4-hour distribution to the downside. This was
Z-Gamer.
30 pips to the
Z-Gamer's in
downside.
the house.
What an amazing setup.
You gamer.
You done with
Shiro
DJ?
ain't admitted nothing.
Yeah, GJ hasn't done much. Hasn't done much here lately. Wow, so we've officially broken. How about gold? Did we break the 4-hour highs? No, not yet. Didn't break the 4-hour highs here yet. My B-day was this past Saturday. Happy belated. Happy belated, bro. Ty Lopez selling your YouTube course? Pack runner. Yeah, got a little boring here after NY Open, huh? Probably started to just consolidate a bit on these lower time frames. Not do much. Yeah, we don't want to take buys here because you had a resistance right there. These buys, not really interested in buys too much here on gold today. Yeah, we may get a fake out though. See the support here on gold? If we may get a celery play or a fake out here at the daily closure. So that'll be exciting to see. But yeah, I'll take my buys going up above 1906. I think that was our original plan from this morning, right? Or was it 1907?
1907. That's where I got my buys.
Yeah, I'm sticking with what
That's
I
the
had.
break of the 4 hours.
Yeah, this morning. Is this a fake out on US 30? Let's see. Which one? This one down here? Yeah, that looks like a fake out to me. Yup. Yeah, everyone wanted to rush the gun there on US 30, man. Telling you, that's why we don't like doing that. Yeah, a lot of people got activated on this break of the low there. And then boom, right back up. Thing shot. Joe.
Yeah,
Joe's
Joe.
fake outs everywhere, yeah.
So true, Joe.
Hey, what up, Unique? Made a small bag
Unique.
on gold. Little light something, something. Do your thing,
Something
do
light.
your thing. Made a little light some. Hitman's got him. Hitman's got who? Who's the Hitman got? Nick, we love you. Hey, I love y'all. No need to use stop loss. Can you explain why you did not enter on the break of the low? Which one, bro? Are you talking about US 30 earlier? If you're talking about US 30 earlier, I wanted to see a 15-minute candle close there. So I wanted to see that candle close and come up, break the high, and then break the lows, but that never happened. But here comes gold coming on back down. Lovely. Is green here? Green is definitely here somewhere. There he is. Always. He lives here. What up, FB? FB. What's good, Daniel? You already know green's here. Bro chose to be quiet because he's eating. That man's always eating something good. Greenery's always eating something good. Is Hollow still here? Remember we used to get them boneless spare ribs, boy. Them boneless. Me, Green, and Hollow would eat those boneless spare ribs all the time, man. Back in the day. Fire. I want to fly to New York right now to get some. Those chicken wings at the Chinese spot. Woo! Them joints hit different. And green is Nick. When did you say you're coming to Kenya? Oh, I don't know. Maybe soon. Hey, if this candle gets if we get some sort of closures below, we may be interested here. 10 a.m. 1 hour closing back below the range here. We like to troll. Yeah.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Little trolling. Chicken wings from the Chinese spot hit different. Very true.
Yo, is that who put you on?
Yeah, Green
The
put me
boneless
on.
spare
Green
ribs?
put me on. Yep. Green put me on.
Yo,
Green did it. Green did.
Green, thank you, bro. You put me on too. Them joints be slapping.
See how far your impact goes, Green? Look at that. Look at that. Yo, never had chicken. Stop. What pork fried rice?
Bro, excuse me?
You're a cool guy, Nick, but mix up the music a tad. I'm good, man. I'll just let the music rock. The music's not the important thing here. Right? The music's just some background music. Alright, I guess no closure there for gold.
Yo, Sam.
Yeah, New York Chinese food's different. Alright, 1
Gotta
hour
be New York,
candles
though.
closing. Yeah, John's about to be in New York. You better hit that up for me.
I'm gonna definitely know.
We have chickens as pets. That's right. I forgot about that. How to prevent from being faked out in the daily buys. You can go. We have a video on that on the channel. Go to type in range 1. Yeah, I think range 1, right? Yeah, exclamation point range 1, I believe. There it is, range 1, range 2. Yep. Unique, that's actually pretty funny.
Yeah.
Gotta get them chicken wings, man. All right. Here is the new hourly candle closure here. And to be honest, I'm not interested in these buys whatsoever. Not interested. 15 closed bearish, which is pretty nice.
I have no reasons to take a buy here.
No, no reason at all. Hope I haven't missed any trades. No, you haven't. Well, maybe you did, depending on when you got here. I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
I forgot. We already took a trade today.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time, Nick. I'm off to bed. Had a profitable day. All right. Sleep good with that profit. Yeah, sells look good here. If we can get a 30-minute close back in the range or a 15-minute close below that range there, then I'll probably be open to taking more sells here. We're right back where we took our trade earlier. Right back in this range here, so wouldn't be bad. Yeah, a 30 closure back below the range would probably be our best bet here. Yeah. That means we got a 30-minute fake out, and yeah, that should be pretty clean. Happy Wednesday. BRB? All right, man. Just finished Outwitting the Devil. Such a great book. Highly encourage all traders to read it. Oh, yeah. See, now you're a different person.
Good job.
You're a totally different person now from the time you open that book, right? Crazy, crazy.
You're going to feel it. You're going to feel it.
Heavy book, too.
Pretty deep. Too.
And that's why we stress so much about the thoughts of the mind, right? And not being a drifter, because it's real. It's real stuff. What book was that? Outwitting the Devil. Yeah, I got it back there. It's a great book. Great book.
Everyone's need to read that at least once.
Can confirm. I am the book. Yeah, Napoleon Hill. All right, beautiful. That activated buyers now. So can we close below the range? That's what we want to see, because all buyers now have been activated. Lovely.
And those taking buys, remember, we're bearish. Bearish for the death.
Yep. New buyers. Someone has the PDF version of that book? Oh, I don't, but maybe. I would go pick up the copy, the physical copy. Holding that thing is like holding like some sort of power. This thing right here got power in it, bro. Woo! I can
It's a
feel
heavy
it.
book.
That's what it looks like.
Oh, yeah.
This thing's got power. Hold on, I just
For real
opened up
does.
to a random page. Let me just read what I got highlighted. Be definite in everything you do and never leave unfinished thoughts in your mind. Form the habit of reaching definite decisions on all subjects. Yeah, I got a lot of highlights in this book,
Yeesh.
man.
A lot of gems in that book.
This book is insane. They wouldn't even allow this
I'm about to
dude
read that
to
again.
release this book. Like his wife, this went so much against the elites and the powers that be, that even his wife was like, "You are not releasing this until after I'm dead. They'll literally come after our family." Yeah, this book was awesome. Amazing book. Are we giving the buyers hope here to pump up, or are we? What are we doing? What is the book name? Outwitting the Devil. Outwitting the Devil, right there. We're just gonna range, we're gonna range, we're gonna range, we're gonna range. Possibly, yeah. US 30 ain't too bad, but yeah, this ain't bad on the 30-minute here. 30-minute breakout on US 30. Broke all the 4-hour highs. Daily's flipping bullish. When is the 30-minute closing here? In 20 minutes? Yeah, we'll see about that. Gold pumping up. You missed the buy on GJ? They didn't believe in us. Nick, I'm down 5% in my funding. I have been down since the beginning of the month. I don't know what to do. Just show up tomorrow and look for the next best trade.
Go.
Playbook was really good. More in depth, like, yeah, the time frames. Yeah, I have a video dropping too about top-down analysis, so you guys can put those together, and I think that'll be really, really good. If there's no, if there are no previous resistance support to your next TP, what you gonna do? What do you mean? Hey, yo, shout out to you guys, man. Anthony Williams, he reached out and he's like, yo, everyone wants me to do a podcast with you. You down? So yo, if that story's still up, if you guys could all go to his story and just be like, Nick Stewart from Time to Eat Trading. That's gonna put us on the map. Let's see, is it still up? He said, who should I interview? Oh yeah, no, it's down now. Yeah, you guys pulled up. The community pulled up.
Hold
That
up.
bro did it. We lost today. Who's we? Who's we?
Speaking French.
Who's we? Anthony. Who's we? There you go, C4. Remember, everyone's got unlimited times on their challenge. Trust the process. Don't rush the process. Woo!
Seriously.
I like that.
Seriously though, now the account's like legit yours.
Yes, sir.
Now you can really treat it like that.
If you're a real trader, then you shouldn't have any issue now. Yeah, nah, thanks, y'all. I appreciate that, man. He messaged me right away. He messaged me right away. He's like, yo, everyone wants me to interview you. I'm like, let's lock it in, bro. Let's lock it up. Where to next? I may even fly out to Scottsdale for that one. Go do like some in-person if he's down. And take the whole family. Go take a little Scottsdale trip. Entered 15-minute celery on gold and lost. Is there anything I could have done better? If you can put that in the charts for stream, just show us where you entered, and we'll take a look at it. I'll open it up on this display first, though. Hey, gang, that was some disrespectful-ish that happened yesterday, man. I'm sorry. Some of y'all had kids on the stream, and yeah, I'm sorry that happened. That was I burned that whole stream. I burned that thing to ashes. It's no longer anywhere in the world. It's burned.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for those of you that had kids, man, I am sorry to hear that. You know, that's some wild stuff.
It will be evil.
How much risk percent do you trade, or do I recommend? 1, 2, 3%, somewhere around there. Oh, there's a couple of us in Arizona. Let us know so we could do a meetup. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'll probably hit up my boy Derek. Some of you guys know Derek Vandy. I'll hit him up too, and maybe even Anthony's World will be down, and we'll kind of put a little meetup together. I think that would be dope. Little networking event. It's gone. Yeah, exactly. That will never happen again. Green made sure of it. Awesome. Good to know there's a lot of people in Arizona here. I bleached my eyeballs at I'm legally blind now. That's funny. Yeah, that was weird.
Childish acts.
Anthony had over 1,000 lots before. Yeah, I've seen him take some pretty cool trades that he posted. Don hit it too. Yeah, Don got hit with that too. Yep. That guy's probably sitting there laughing, but I feel bad for that dude. Oh, much love from Portugal. Hey, Carla. Thanks for being here. Green handled it. Yeah. Green handled it. Ty Lopez? Yeah, exactly. I got photographic memory. I'll never forget it. Oh, man.
Man, shred it up. Try to.
Half the chat don't know what's going on.
I know.
Good. Just good. a good way to look at a hero of the day. There you go. Just picked up Outwitting the Devil on Audible. Oh, beautiful. Amazing. Yeah, it's better that you don't know. You had to be there. Nah, somebody said that their kid was sitting there with them. I would be pissed. I would be pissed, bro. If I had my kid sitting right there, I mean, there's nothing I could do about it, but I'd be like, wow. That's chalked.
Sure, for sure.
It was violence to the eyeballs. Yeah, let's just call it that. That's why you can never miss a stream. You can never miss a stream. If you missed a stream, yesterday's stream was the only stream I would say miss. But all the other streams, make sure you're there. My 8-month-old was watching. Jeez. Hopefully they were dozing off, not looking. Violence to the eyeballs is the greatest way to put it. What time do you usually stream until? We'll probably chill for about 15 more minutes. If nothing happens, if we don't get a closure back below the range, then we'll probably just call it a day here. Yeah, usually till like 10:30. Only stream I missed in the past 2 months was yesterday. W. Trust me, W.
Hey, biggest dub of the year.
Ty Lopez happened yesterday, yeah. John Stewart's in the chat. John's a mod.
Hey.
John, you're already a mod, dude.
Hey.
Yeah, there you go.
No. No.
How can I get up your setup? What setup? What setup? Yeah, we may range a bit here. We may flip floppy a little bit, right? Just not do much. If we don't get a closure here, then I'll probably call it a day, and I'll just probably wait till like noonish. Let price consolidate a little bit, and then you may get a breakout again. Let's see. Why do I hold losers for longer than winners? I don't let my runners run. It's just a mental thing. Any advice? Yeah, so you have to, I don't know how much time you have in the markets or experience, but a lot of times like holding runners is going to come from experience, and a lot of times it's cool, right? Close 90% of your position at the advantage point, and then what you could do is you could start to, as you start seeing your trades run a little bit more after you close them, go to from closing 90% to closing 80%, and then closing 70%, and then 50, and slowly you start to warm yourself up to holding larger positions for longer. And and then maybe eventually you get to the point where you're like, hey, I'm not closing anything, I'm just gonna let it run. And yeah, that's how you can kind of like ease your way into holding the full position. The music with the guitar is so nice. Yeah, that's one of my favorite tracks. 1.2k likes, let's go. 1.2k, nice guys, thanks a lot, appreciate it. Hey, if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel too. We're trying to get to, let's see, 15k here, right? Almost there. GJ closed above, get into buys in the retest. Oh, nice. Nice, Tommy. Good stuff. Hey, we need 2 more wins, and we got 80 wins here this year. We're almost at 80 dubs.
Hey.
Where you know they do that at? Where you know they do that at? Check GJ. Yeah, we got rid of GJ. GJ, we're not trading anymore. But yeah, very nice.
Good shot.
Good stuff. Yeah, that's probably the best trade on GJ in the last couple weeks. This thing doesn't really want to go. I think it's waiting. Yeah, we wanted to come down, grab liquidity here. Maybe we create support to continue up on the Dow here. Nick, when or will be any promos to the Signals channel? Yeah, we're going to open the Signals channel up, I think next week. And we're going to run a 2-month promo again. So if anybody buy whatever package you purchase, you'll get 2 months free on that. Yeah, we're going to open that up next week.
That'd be dope.
John 10 through 11. Hey, man. Ain't it great? Ain't it great? Good shepherd.
And